Yo, what is up, Trader Shop people? It's Monday. Hopefully everybody had a great weekend. I see it's sunny over there. It looks kind of bright out there.
Nah, it's kind of gloomy.
Oh,
it just looks bright because my only light that I have on is the whatchamacallit. Like I don't have the light on, but it should be nice today. It was 91 yesterday, so.
Oh damn! But, 91. Dang.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the Trader Shop. You already know what it is. Me and Jay Seals in the building on a fresh Monday, ready to make some bread on a Monday. You know what I mean? Like market's kind of pushing into my area here. We're about 30 points away from where I want to trade. So if I stop the intro to get to my execution screen, you guys already know what it is. Please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. Turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, you already know we like to jump right into the pre-market plan. I got NQ. I think I got NQ and ES if you ain't got it, but I mean, some road construction today.
Yeah, and an accident. I can talk about it because I mean my levels really haven't changed since Friday. They're still the exact same. I got a couple new levels,
so just because I'll explain it to you. I don't know if you read my plan, but yeah, I'll just drop it. I'll just do them both. I did.
Okay, that's fine.
For both. That's fine. It's not a big deal. All right, so let's jump right into NQ, and then I'll switch over to ES. Macro is overnight session found buyers at the lows, which you guys can clearly see down here. Lows of the current range. I'll be looking for sellers to defend what I consider the new extreme. So talking with the Discord, talking with Justin, when I'm marking these demand zones, the supply zones inside of this current range, I'm trying to stay away from marking supply zones in the middle of the range. What I'm looking for to define where I think the extremes are is just these huge gaps in price, right? What I think most people in ICT would call fair value gaps, right? So I'm looking for them on higher time frames. So this gap right here at 342 through roughly about 376 needs to get filled, right? Therefore, this supply zone becomes very important to me. So 18,376.25 through roughly about 18,428 is where I'm going to be looking for price to reject. If we get above there, then the only other place I'll be looking is 479 through roughly about 507. Look to short week rallies in that area, and the target is going to be the 90-minute demand zone. But first, we have the daily fib at 18,313.50, which I think is a pretty darn good trade. That's a 60-point banger right there. So definitely be looking to take some profits off right there. Secondly, to the buyer side, right? There's another opportunity for price right here too that I didn't mark, but I'll go over that off the fly. So the daily fib is 18,313.50. What I would like to see if I'm bearish, I want to see a break and retest of 18,313.50. And I can look to short the market targeting previous day low and then 90-minute demand down here. So that's one that I didn't put on the Discord, but I just kind of saw it. And I know I got a plan like that on ES. So bullish, I'm looking for buyers to defend this 90-minute demand at 18,063 through 18,000. Remember 18,000, if you guys watched the top-down market analysis video I put out this weekend, 18,000, you guys know that is a super key level for me, right? Like if we get below that, then I'm definitely going to be looking to short the market on any retest of this area. So I'm looking to target resistance. So this previous low up here, right? Or I think it was up here, yeah. Previous low up here at 18,196 from 90-minute demand at 18,063. That's what I'm looking to target coming back from this area. And then to the bearish side, again, key level 18,000, 18,001. I'm looking to short break and retest, a bearish break and retest below 18,000 and look to short the market targeting 17,959 through 17,775, right? And then all the way down to 7,723. And then lastly, to the even more extreme 4-hour demand or 3-hour demand I put, but I think it's 4-hour demand. sits at 17,723 through 17,625. We can look to long the market targeting previous support at 18,000. Hopefully at that point, we probably would have built some type of structure through here. So the target won't be 300 points, because I don't think NQ has it in there to move 600 points in either direction today. But again, just areas of interest for me. All right, so let's move on to ES. There we go. All right, and then just looking at ES, the macro is basically the same. The trend inside of a trend is the same, meaning we're currently in a downtrend with a bullish narrative right now, right? Like that's basically where we are. I don't know why this thing won't let me slide over. Anyway, bearish, same area, looking to short weak rallies into this 1 hour supply at 52.24 through 52.33, and look to target the daily fib down here at 51.98, and then the 4 hour down here at 51.6825. Also bearish, look for the break and retest of the daily fib at 51.98. Look to target 51.6825, and then finally 4 hour demand when we come down to 51.68. We can look for buyers to defend, and we can look to long the market targeting the daily fib. Ultimately, if you zoom all the way out to the 4 hour, you'll understand why my plan is just straight back and forth. It's because that's exactly what the market is doing. However, ES, just like I explained in the top down analysis, ES is looking much weaker, right? And the downtrend looks much stronger, but we still need to break through significant structure down here at 51.49. So those are my thoughts on the market. I hope that helps you guys. Let's get busy. Justin, you got anything to answer?
Yeah, we need to make sure we're watching the VIX today. The VIX has been selling off overnight. It is coming close to a 1 hour demand zone, which
the same zone
could push the market, or could push the VIX up, which will mean the sell-off could potentially come on the indices. So I'm definitely gonna be watching the VIX today. The VIX had that massive rally on Friday, which was obviously the clue that we were gonna be selling off. So if we get that same look today, where we come into this 1 hour supply or 1 hour demand, here I'll show you guys screen. There we go. So if we get this same look where we're coming down in this 1 hour demand zone and we start to rally off of it, then we can expect the indices to start selling off. So the best thing that I could hope for today is that we kind of start with this rally and we rally into some supply, and at the same time we dump into demand on the VIX. And then the other thing too that we need to be I don't want to say like too worried about, but just something we should be paying attention to is just any war news that pops up, because any little war news that pops up could potentially make the market that much more volatile. Not to mention the fact that this week Powell speaks as well. So there's just a lot of stuff going on in the world that could potentially shape the market on the day. So
no diggity, no doubt, baby. also guys, in regards to the channel, I hope you guys will enjoy our new series. Justin and I, we argue and fight like brothers on this channel, like all the time, but we have some really good debates, and we've kind of realized that, you know, and I know you guys have realized it too. So we started a new playlist, and it's basically just clippings of the debates that we have on the show. We just put out our first episode. It's called Trader Shop Debates. So definitely go check that out. If you didn't check it out on Friday, we had a very interesting conversation in regards to what a pump or a dump is. So it's going to be a new little series we're going to be trying to test out for the channel. So good morning, Twice. Good morning, Void. Good morning, Hayes Records. Hope you guys have a good day today. Ready to get some money. These sellers are already in the building. Let's go.
Yeah, we're getting hemmed up at Friday's high.
Yeah. Basically, I'm looking for that correlation between the VIX and price.
That's what I want to see too. I'm really hoping
what is that level? I think we got it's 1630. That's what I want to see. I want to see what we do at 1630.
That's a nasty double top though.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, on the 5 minute. What are you looking at right now? You looking at NQ? Yeah, on the 5 minute.
I'm looking at NQ. I'm looking on a 1 minute though, but yeah, it's.
Oh,
I like it, but I want to see us get below 298 first.
See, you do this little thing where, yeah, where
what I do.
you're looking at a different computer monitor. So I'm looking at your 5 minute because you said the 1 minute, but your computer, but you're showing the 5. That's how I know. So he was like, yeah, man, the 1 minute. I'm like, bro, we're all looking at the 5 right now. You can't be sitting here being like, yeah, it's on the 1 minute. Like, no, we're looking at the 5 minute.
It's the same structure though.
I know it's the same, but
the same structure.
It looks different because of the candle.
I mean, look, my execution screen is on the 1 minute. Know that at all times.
Well, I know.
It's
not no more.
Somebody on the channel was like, you're looking at price too high. First of all, on NQ you need to be looking at lower time frames like the 1 minute. I was like, bro, I trade on the 15-second. Just because you're looking at the screen and you see the 5 minute, that's not my execution screen. Right. So just so you guys know, my setups usually come from higher time frames. But if price wants to offer a setup not at a higher time frame zone, then I look for setups on the 5 minutes. So the screen that you see right here, this is my 5 minute screen, but my execution screen is definitely not on the 5 minutes, definitely on the 1 minute. And I like what price is doing here. I just want to see us get below 298 and then come back up.
The Hayes says, I got a question, fellas. Is it illegal to hedge a trade? For example, if I'm long and have 3-point stop loss, is it illegal to have a short limit order a few ticks under my stop and trigger after my stop loss is hit? No, I've done that before. Yeah, you can.
No, that's not illegal. It's illegal to do it on 2 different accounts, right? Inside like it's not illegal, but it's frowned upon.
Yeah. Like if you were to go long on one account and short on the other account and be like, yeah, I can't lose. Like that's frowned upon. It's not technically illegal. I personally think it's stupid because you're not really guaranteeing that you won't lose because both stop losses could ultimately end up being hit anyway. But I've done that before actually, where if it's like if the market's extra volatile and I'm like, dang, if this breaks this level, then we're really gonna dump. Then what I'll do is I'll say, okay, I'm gonna get long here with let's say 3 contracts, and I'll put my stop loss below for 6. So that way, if it hits my stop loss, it'll fill me for 3 on the other side, and that way I can catch a momentum going down if I'm wrong on the upside. So you can do that, but just remember again, you can lose both ways, right? Where you can hit your stop and then turn around and bounce right back and hit your other stop. So it's definitely still a risk, but it's not illegal. You can do it.
Yeah, it's not horrible, but
it's a gamble for sure.
Additionally, for all you ICTers out there, man, we have a day where the market is setting up so nicely right now. Because if this decides to flush, we got Tokyo lows all the way down at 146. So you best believe if this market starts to get busy, like I think it's gonna get busy to the downside, woo, there is some targets down there. There is some targets down there in those hills. Tar Nation, down in Tar Nation.
Oh Lord.
Okay. Nobody looks at it like that.
No. It's only you.
All right. Yeah, just making sure. That's what I really want to see right here. I'll settle for this trade, but I want this trade. Like I want us to tap the 400s and then do something like that. That's what I really want to see.
Yeah, we're really struggling to get above the high from Friday.
Nah, we're getting up there. Oh, at 347, you talking?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we run it one more time. Is that I'm a firm believer in I'm not taking trades anymore until I see highs ran. So that high has to be taken out for me to get short. I've just learned my lesson. Like, wait for the high to be ran. It will get ran. Don't worry about it.
I said we were flagging more than anything else. They said, appreciate y'all. They frown all they want. Yeah, they only frown upon it when, like Hobbs was saying, if you take 2 different accounts and you go long and short, that's when they frown upon it. But what you're talking about, that's perfectly legal. You can do all you want.
Yeah, that's legal. You're good. You're good there.
What up, Chicago Sean?
Chi-Town in the building. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, I just don't like this. I don't like this for shorts yet because we haven't broken any structure to the downside.
Yeah.
So like I see what you're seeing at the high, but the low hasn't accomplished anything. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I'm not touching this short, not yet. Not unless I would be open to it if I saw like something on the tape that like an early indication, but nah, I agree. We're gonna continue going up.
Yeah. It just doesn't make any sense to stop here. I think we're too close to all of that liquidity up there.
Yeah.
376. So
I just hate when the market doesn't make like very clear swings. You know what I mean? Like it's on the 5, it's been kind of choppy on the way up.
Just
like
go down to a lower time frame.
Yeah, no, I know.
Yeah, just go down to like the 2 minute. You'll see the swings much cleaner.
That's true. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, don't get stuck on that 5 minute because again, the 5 minute you have to realize that every candle, high and low, could be a swing. You know what I mean? Like the close of one 5 minute candle and the close of the other 5 minute candle could be a full ass swing on a 1 minute.
You're right. Because on the 2 minute we actually tapped 50% perfectly.
Exactly. So like you gotta just realize like when you're looking at different time frames, what's truly happening on that time frame could be happening within a candle.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like so the 15 minute is gonna give you probably 5 or 6 swings inside of it on a 1 minute time frame. Maybe not 5 or 6, maybe like 3 or 4. All right, here comes another double top at these highs. I ain't buying it. I need something stronger. I need a huge sweep into that liquidity right there. You can see on my screen, this is kind of the trade I'm looking for. I'll settle for this trade right here. All right. This is what this is like. I'm okay with taking it like this. Right. I'm okay with doing something like this, risk reward wise. That'd be 26 points. And then target these lows right here for 100 points. Like that's either one of these trade ideas is what I'm looking for right here, guys. If we blow right through it, then I just won't take the trade. But ultimately, when we get to this red box, I'm looking to see if we can change character on a smaller time frame and then get a huge liquidity sweep. Because if you look at this on the 1 minute and you just reverse price, my brain has to invert this, right? Because I'm looking to short it. If you go all the way back, all this 1 hour supply zone is doing is showing you the current, this previous range, right? This previous range sits at about, the center sits at about 395, right? So 395 is a really good area to be looking for shorts because this range caused a break of structure multiple times, right? Multiple times. So when we're coming back up here, I'm looking for price to tap back into the same range so I can take the market short again. So
yeah, I like this setup. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put the box on there. I didn't have the box, I just had a line, but
yeah, I like 395. Like that's where I'm looking to short the market. So we'll see.
Yeah, just the way we came up here, man. It was just like a really slow grind overnight.
Yeah, that's why like I went to bed because I was gonna long it, but when I paper traded, I just seen how aggressive we were trying to take out new buyers down there, and I was just like, nope. I was like, Tokyo, London, it's not moving how I liked it to move. Gold was in a range that I didn't want to play. I don't mind playing ranges, but I do not like playing ranges when you're in the Tokyo section. Like it's just too spiky. So yeah, I was like, man, I'm going to bed. Pip texted me. He's like, play the range, dog. I was like, no. I was like, I'm not playing the range inside of Tokyo. He was killing that shit though. He was dog walking the market.
You didn't even have to play the range. You could have just went long and stayed long the entire night.
No, it dipped all the way down to the 60s. So you would have got stopped out. Because I would have been long in at 77, 74. I woke up this morning and it dipped all the way down to 60. I was like, see, that's what I thought. In Q, I could have stayed long all night for sure.
Oh, you talking? Oh, yes.
Yeah, but gold I couldn't. You know, I don't really trade in Q no more during the Tokyo session. But in Q was the setup. I paper traded it because I was watching. Me and the wife was watching this dope movie last night. But you ever seen Roadhouse? That movie cold.
No, but I know it's on Amazon. I've been watching.
That movie cold, bro.
I've been watching. Well, I finished Fallout, which was really good.
Oh so, yeah, that was the one I was gonna watch, but it was between Fallout and Roadhouse, and we chose Roadhouse. The Roadhouse was fire.
Fallout's an amazing series. I never played the video game before, but it made me want to play it, honestly.
Yeah. Glenn the Crypto Black Belt says, "What's going on with Shop? What's up, T Hoobs and J Seals? Great to see you guys." What's going on, Glenn Crypto, man? What we shopping for today? Futures, man. Futures.
And QNES and GC.
Love the debate video. Yeah,
let's go, Black Beauty Machine.
I think the debate video is cool because some people don't. I mean, even our normal viewers, right? Sometimes you guys don't stick around all day, and you miss some of like the real good debates. Like I actually walked out of the show on Friday. Justin pissed me off so bad. I was just like, and then I called him. I was at Chipotle. I was cussing Justin out at Chipotle. We was going back and forth. I was at Chipotle. I quit the shop. I walked out. I was like, I'm done with you, Justin.
Yeah, it was a very, very, very long day. Friday was. Go back and watch the original Roadhouse. Mike, who's in the original Roadhouse? Who's that? Who's the
Swayze.
Is it Patrick Swayze? It's MMA, right?
My wife was like, "This is not the Roadhouse I remember."
It's an MMA movie, right? With Jake Gyllenhaal.
The Roadhouse is basically an MMA movie, but the original one I think is not.
Oh, is the original one like a Street Fighter type of?
Nah, I think my wife was saying the original one was like she remembered Patrick Swayze dancing or some crap. Like it was crazy.
Oh,
yeah. But they got, when you get done with the first one, they got the original one you can watch on Amazon too.
Gotcha.
I was long on ES Mini 5182 damn near at midnight last night and sold for 3 points just to go to sleep.
Hey man, you got a 3-point pump, bro.
Oh, don't you start. Don't you start.
Oh. Hey, that 3 points was pumping,
no.
baby.
Oh, no. Don't you start, Justin.
Here comes the song.
I'm trying to leave the market. I'm trying to leave it alone today. Just leave it alone.
We got to give the people what they want. Oh, my God. Bruh. Okay.
What?
Oh, I thought we was about to sell off, and the buyers was like, "Nah, we're good."
Nah, man. I think we come all the way up to 376. We get that opening candle, shoot everybody, push everything all the way back up.
Oh, you think they're gonna?
The VIX is almost.
So you think they're gonna run that liquidity?
Yeah, that's what I want to see happen. I don't, put it this way: the ideal trade for me would be if they ran that liquidity. That would be perfect for me.
She said, "I think I confused Roadhouse with Dirty Dancing."
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
That's a big confusion, ain't it?
That could be my wife. Yeah, she could have done that. She's really good at confusing movies and actors. So yeah, maybe it was. She said, "I think I confused Roadhouse."
Those are two different movies. Hold up a second.
I've never seen it. So like when I saw it, last night was the first rendition that I saw. I've never seen the original rendition. So. Yeah, bud. You tell him, bud. Same actor, different movies. Yeah, okay, man. We're consolidating at these highs. On the tape, it looks like the sellers are trying to take over this area. For me, it's a no trade clause until we break through some structure. The VIX is starting to warm up back to 65 here. Yeah, so let me take a look at those stocks actually. Yeah. Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia are all just kind of flat. So we'll see.
What did Bud say?
Bud said he thinks that they need to quit with the reboots because it lacks creativity.
Oh. Yeah, you know what I learned though? A lot of if it's not a reboot, it's always based off of a book or like something else. Like there's very few actual original movies out there.
Yeah, fact. All right, we should be close to open. A lot of liquidity just came in. Yeah, 5 minutes is open.
We just swept right there.
Yeah, we're inside of this first macro, trading to the downside, which means we could come back up here and give me what I want.
It really sucks. I really hope we don't sweep this low here at 328 and then reject and then come down lower, because you know how volatile it's going to be when it does it. And it's going to look stupid.
We should. You turn those macros on yet? You should definitely watch the macros.
I'm watching it on yours.
I'm watching them on yours. What's wrong with putting them on your screen?
I actually think no wait, that
it literally takes like 2 seconds. Like,
I didn't add them. What is it called? Like ICT macro or something?
Yeah. Just add them so you can kind of watch them and then
it's by Cognito, right?
Yeah, by Cognito.
I just hate these little line things.
Yeah, we're still in this uptrend until we get below 329, guys. So all of this selling is just inducement for right now. Trying to induce more sellers. So about 5 minutes till the open.
The remake was supposed to be Ronda Rousey, but she got knocked out twice, and they put the movie on hold for like 6 years.
Hey, oh buddy, I can't remember his name, but the dude that played in the movie this time, it was really good, like action packed. Like if you like MMA style fighting or whatever, man, he did a.
Wasn't the Irish guy in that movie?
Conor McGregor.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was swole in that movie too. he definitely looked like he really enjoyed playing that actor. I'll just say that. Me and my wife was like, "Wow, he did a really good job. Like, it was a really good movie." We usually put movies on at bedtime to just kind of go to sleep to. Yeah, we definitely watched that entire movie. All right, sellers stepping in here, trying to get through that 329 level, 328.75 to go ahead and change this character to the downside. If we
I don't think it's about to happen.
I don't think so either. But if we do, my plan is to wait for us to sweep that high, right? Like, I want to see. I'm cool with this breaking, but we still have the 50% of the previous high and low that brought us up here that we could tap into. So,
ooh. Yeah, what I'm looking, do you see at 350? You see the delta up there?
Oh, on the tape. Yeah. All those buyers up there.
No, I'm talking about just the. Oh yeah. The buyers that got trapped. Yeah. I know. My bad. I'm interested to see what happens if we can come back up there, or if those guys are going to end up getting pushed out.
Yeah, let me tell you what I'm looking at. Zoom in and look at 380. That's what I'm looking to target. 380 through 400. Look at the
about to say 400 got 113.
Yeah,
380
got 380 to 400.
So,
that's what I'm looking to target, because the 50%, all that liquidity sits up at like 395. So 380 to roughly about 400. That's why I looked at the book. I was like, I wonder what's up there. So it fits the narrative right now. So as long as we keep putting in these falling wedges at open, I anticipate us continuing to push higher. But if we don't, then I'll just come up with a different plan. But so far, that's my idea. Meta's coming down, Google's coming down, Amazon's coming down, Apple's coming down, but Microsoft is pushing up. And Nvidia gap up, which is crazy. Huh?
So of course it wants to be the redheaded stepchild.
Yeah, Nvidia and Microsoft are pushing up, so this market's going to come up.
Oh yeah, I mean you're right. We're making higher highs and higher lows, so there's no reason for us to stop at the moment, and we're defending.
Yeah, there's no reason to stop as long as we continue to structure the current structure that we're in. We should continue to push higher. We're just taking our time. I knew I recognized the main character. He played in SVU.
I feel like there's not one character who's never.
I was about to say,
who
those, didn't play in SVU, man?
In one of those like SVUs. That's Law and Order, right?
That dude has a ridiculous resume in movies, right? Let me see. What is his name? He's got a whole plethora of movies he plays in, and my wife only remembers him from SVU. Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Good morning, market. All right, market is open.
We just filled that low right there. Jesus, that liquidity came out of nowhere. There's like, give me that gobble.
Yeah, gobble. All right, this should be
Let's
that
see.
50% of this high and low that brought us up here. So let's see if we run that. Yeah, what he say? Goblin is 9:30 a.m.
You said what y'all gobbling at 9:30 a.m. All right, about that. Touche. I can't even be mad at that. I can't even be mad.
Let's see if we hold this 50% at 308. I think it is 309. I want to see us hold this and go up higher. That's what I really want. But the VIX is pushing right now.
You looking at it at the from the 5 minute?
Nah, look at the 2 minute. Take the high from 347 price. Price not time, down to 269. That wick.
Okay.
The other wick. See how we're tapping right into that 50%.
Yeah.
I want to see if we bounce here, fake out all the early morning sellers, and take price back all the way back up to the supply zone, or do we just dump from here? If we dump from here, then I'll just mark this level on the 5 minute, because that'll just mean we're not coming to the extremes. Either way it goes, I'm willing to fade this initial move, just to see if this is the new level price wants to react to. The VIX is definitely the VIX is definitely on board with this move, so this could definitely hold. And that's a really clean close on the 2 minute here.
Yeah, I was looking at from the high at 308 to the low at 269.75. Seeing what we do there.
308 to the low at 269. Yeah, I can see that, because that's the previous high and low of this high and low. I was just looking at I can see that. I
know why you was looking at that range though. That makes sense too.
I would mark both of those, honestly, just to see what price does in those two areas.
That's what I'm
either way it go, I would prefer that price goes back up. If it doesn't, then I'll just look to trade this area based off the 5 minute, because this is a huge fair value gap that's being printed right now. If this closes clean, so we'll see.
Yeah, that 2 minute candle is 30. Holy shit, it's Mr. Papa George.
Shit, it is Monday. Damn, I know that voice. That's the Monday Friday voice. Good morning, Monday Friday.
This market.
Good morning, Monday Friday. We're coming down.
Yeah, we're coming to the dirt right now.
All right, cool. Give me the structure, baby. Man, I really wanted price to come back to the supply zone. I really did.
I did too.
I really did. Like, I was like, please, God, just come back.
But we haven't broke that news 5 minute low yet. So
ES didn't get up there either.
I think ES got up to did it get that 1 hour supply? There was another.
Doji. No. I got 1 hour at 52.24. I think we're inside of the previous 1 hour, but yeah, we're right inside of the previous 1 hour, but the gap is at 52.24. So I was hoping us to fill the gap right there. There's no real gap right here. It's just a regular supply zone. I'm still looking at this as the bulls are still kind of in control. They are slowly losing control. Oh man, don't break this low. Come on, don't break the low without going back. All right, fine. You're gonna break it, assholes.
Yeah, it's coming. Pause.
This early.
I said pause. I said pause. I said it. It's
a little early. Pause. Diddy.
It's never too early. No Diddy.
Never too early for a pause.
All right. All right, market. You chose violence. You chose red today.
Market, bro, look at the VIX. This thing is jumping. Market chose absolute violence this morning. All right, cool. That is a gap if I've ever seen a gap. Lord Jesus.
Dang, man.
This 5 minute candle is ridiculous.
We're making a new 30-minute supply zone right up here too, intraday. Jesus. The question is, are we gonna come back up and retest it?
Don't look like it.
We're breaking all types of structure right now.
All right, this is the low that needs to be closed beneath. Do I sound like I'm underwater? Like everything I'm saying sounds like I'm underwater right now.
A little bit, yeah.
It's weird.
We just had a straight. Oh my god.
Bravo Joe says low day, low week on repeat. Yo, I'm real like blah 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 right
yeah,
now.
it's like gargly.
I don't know what could be doing it.
Yeah, so yesterday's high a day ended up being the resistance area that knocked us right down, which is what I really did not want to see.
Yeah, me neither. Me neither.
I was like, please don't let this be the high. I don't like it. If this would have done this like during pre-market, I'd have been cool with that. Like if we would have started this during the pre-market, and not flushed that open, like if the dump would have started during the pre-market, I would have wanted to get involved, but the dump.
I had my high a day mark wrong. I had it all.
Yeah, the high a day
here.
was 43.25.
Why the fuck did I have it all the way up here? It's weird.
Yeah, we about to flush through all of this. Oh wait, now I got to figure out what the pullback area gonna look like. What this pullback area gonna look like, huh?
Is my previous day low work right? Yeah, it is. That's weird. Maybe I moved it on accident, messing with it on my phone.
What up, Custom Barbecue? How's it going, brother? What's up, brother? I'm about to start doing that. do you know about that? What's up, brother? Tuesday, special plays, special players, special teams, whatever. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about.
No, nobody knows what you're talking about.
Oh, they know. Trust me.
No idea.
You might not, but they know. Hey, he played football. He was a demon on the football field. If you ain't know, I just learned that this weekend. Hey, look, man, special teams, special plays, special players, man. I can't help it. Oh man, look at this. Oh Lord, have mercy.
Look at the stocks. Look at Google. Google is changed. Google making some new life decisions right now.
Apple rejecting that damn supply. Hey boy, sorry Jay, no idea what you're talking about. Well, you need to learn about the internet. That's what you need to do. Learn about the internet. You'll find out. I'm not the only one. A lot of athletes know what I'm talking about. Surprisingly,
I'm an athlete. I don't know what you're talking about.
You're not that type of athlete. You're not a professional.
What type of athlete is that?
A professional. Someone who gets paid.
He said a professional. That's one. That's the one. So you kicking it with professional athletes now?
Nah, just the ticky tack.
Okay, this is gonna drive me crazy. I gotta restart my computer. I don't want to, but
try unplugging your mic and plugging it back in real fast. Before you.
I don't think it's the mic. Oh, you mean like this mic? Yeah.
Oh yeah, y'all. Y'all crazy. We changed character. I'm not. If you're allowing this to me right now, this is a scout. I didn't have an area down here. Yeah, you're good now.
I can't hear you guys. All right, hang on. I'm gonna leave the studio and come back.
All right. Special teams, special plays, special players. There's a. Oh, that's MPAL. I thought Jonah was in here. don't know why I thought I heard Jonah's voice. All right, we're getting a nice little rally. I'm gonna take the 50% of the high and the low here, and see. Oh, we're actually above it already. No, wait. Yeah, we're actually above the 50%. But I want to see what we do here. 50% of this range. Let's see what we do. Yeah, well, it was a lot better.
Okay, is that better now?
Yeah. You're still good.
Yeah.
But we're still pushing up pretty aggressively here. Yeah, that 30-minute zone is not looking like a 30-minute zone anymore.
Yeah, this is what I want to happen. I want to flush out all of those people that got short late at the lows, and then price come all the way back up to where I want to freaking get long. Because I like this change. I mean, get short. Sorry, I like this change of character. We could reject right here the daily fib to see if this is a break and retest of the daily fib here. But I don't want to front run this either. I'd rather just wait to see if we're going to come all the way back up. I do like this change of character. We swept the low. Want to see us sweep all the way back up.
Yeah. We came right. We're at the 50% of the range right now, so it's kind of watching to see what happens here. This was a pretty aggressive buy up.
Yeah, now people are looking to get short here. Oh, I don't know.
I don't know either.
That's his setup right there, though. Yeah, he likes those aggressive sell-offs and then play it back up. Yeah, I don't see it that way. I look at it as the market expansion could be continuing back into where the liquidity came from, right? Testing the high and low of the previous range from Friday. So if we go back up there, it's not necessarily indicating a reversal. It just means that the market is filling liquidity in that gap of that range, right? I do look at this area as a potential rejection. But we are reversing character to turn bullish. The only way that I'm entertaining a full-on reversal is if we get back above 425. That's when I'll say, okay, we're officially about to reverse this market. But as far as I'm concerned, if we come all the way into 425, 395 area, that's just par for the course, in my opinion. We'll see what happens.
Jesus. I was loving the way that 2-minute candle looked until that happened. Although it does look like we're flagging, so could move up.
The buyers are back in the building. I would not be short this shit, at least for me.
No, I didn't get confirmation. I'm in an area where I'm looking to short the market potentially, just based off of like what just happened. But these buyers are still killing the game, and it looks like we're flagging right now to go higher. But we'll see. Maybe we fail. I don't know. Yep, here comes that flag playing out.
This is that 50% of the daily fib area right here. So yeah, it looks like sellers are about to come in and destroy this shit. I don't know if buyers can push through this, man.
Woo. Yeah,
The sellers look
was
strong at this level, like extremely strong. Yeah, this is the daily fib right here. Yeah, I mean, like I said, my thesis is where I want price to go. If price dumps from here, then I'll just play the retracement of this area. Like I'm not going to participate in price right here because I don't have a plan for price right here. If price comes all the way back up, I'll definitely participate in price. But right now, I'm not going to get involved right here. There's nothing for me to do here because we're in the middle of an uptrend, which is also a retracement of a downtrend. So price could do one of two things here. We could put an inverse head and shoulders here and continue to the upside while trapping sellers, or we can fake out a bunch of buyers at the high and then reverse the market down. It's just too many what ifs right here. So for me, this is just not an area of interest. So I won't be participating in price right here. But I do like the sellers up here. I do like what I'm seeing from the sellers. But anytime I say that, the market be like, cool story, bro. See? So right now we're just not at an extreme. And I don't want to trade the extremes unless I only want to trade at the extremes, or I'll just let price develop here to give me some type of structure to play off of on a retest. I'm willing to miss the first initial move to get what I want out of price. Here's a nice push down by the sellers, again defeated at that 31350 level, which is that daily fib. More lower highs starting to be put in, but the volatility index is not participating in this move. There's more buying than selling going on right now. So let's see if we can get a spike on the volatility index.
Yikes. Yeah, I don't like the fact that the VIX is not coming down with this move.
All right, let's see if we can get a break of structure of some sort to the downside. Right now, this is just consolidation after a nice push down in the previous break of structure of 31350. Beautiful double top at 31350. I think that's a solid move down for about 30 points, but I just feel like it's going to be short-lived. Like just looking at the VIX and everything that I'm seeing. Hey, Powell, can you mute your mic if you're not talking about price?
Oh man, that was a perfect 50% tap there too.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's why I said to me, this is just an area where I don't want to participate in price. This is most likely where my losses will come from. So I'll just wait. I'll wait. I do like this. I like this potential structure being built on the 5-minute if we can get below 250, 260. If we can't do that, I'm just looking at this as an inducement to go right back up. Because I think ultimately market wants to go up to that liquidity up there at 375. So that's at least that's what I want to see happen. So I'm gonna wait for that. If we get that, great. If not, I'll wait for yeah. I'm looking at this as like the sweep of the low, and then we come back up and sweep the high, super aggressive, getting all the bulls enticed, allowing the VIX to come down 30 points. Then when we get into that next supply zone, that's when I'm looking to short the market, and I'll take an early entry on that if I get everything I want.
Oof.
All right, nice defense by the buyers on the 5-minute here. Let's see if they the sellers want to push it back down further, or do the buyers want to take it control over here.
Yeah, there's a vested interest at this level right here.
Yeah, that's the daily fib, man. That's the 50%. I agree with Hobbs in his analysis. Thanks, brother. Woo. Again, I'm just looking at it like it doesn't make any sense for us to flush just yet without going up and getting that liquidity, right? So to me, like I'm not gonna be short in the market right here. I'm not gonna do anything right here. I'm not gonna short or long. I just think that this is gonna be a consolidation to either go down lower or to continue to push higher. So is that a VWAP test too?
We just broke above VWAP. I don't know. There's a lot going on right now. I'm just following price, and I just can't find anything high quality to take.
Yeah, then don't do anything, bro.
I'm not.
I know that this isn't for me. Like, so it is what it is. This is not something that I've studied, that I've looked at. I know what I have looked at. Yeah, ain't no reason to participate. I was like, I don't need to do anything here. There's nothing for me to do, bro. Nothing.
I'm just watching this. I'm like, oh man, there's been so many like just those falling wedges / flags that come out.
Like,
rip price.
Like, y'all can short
come back down.
I'm not touching this down here. Nope.
Man,
Boy says they won't come down until they take their pound of flesh, right? That's what I'm looking at. Like,
take their pound of flesh.
Nothing was taken on that dip. Like, if you got the dip, great, but they didn't take anything. So for me, if something's not taken, I'm not touching this thing. They didn't take anything up to at the high. They just kind of was like consolidation, dump. I'm like, yeah, okay, that's not how price moves. So I'm just gonna wait.
I'm gonna
Nvidia's recovering. Oh my God, is Nvidia recovering? Nvidia is pushing right now. Nvidia, Amazon, Meta, everything's pushing back to the upside. Nvidia's back at almost 900. Go ahead, brother. Yeah, I agree with that. What I'm saying is go ahead. Yeah, what I'm looking at is I agree with you. I'm anticipating a sweep of 350. That's what I'm anticipating. I want to see 350 taken out. You see what I'm saying? So that liquidity up there is sitting up there for the taking. So I want to see 350 being taken out and then an aggressive push into 400 for the last time. Maybe 950, 1010 macro will get us up there. Either way it go, like everything that I want, I'm getting right now. I just need to see us push a little bit higher into my supply zone, and then I'll be ready to trade.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty much just chilling at the moment. There's nothing.
Yeah, because we've already changed character to the downside. We know that. But when we change character, we anticipate a sweep of the low and then a sweep of the high, right? So everything we want structurally, we're getting. We just need to be patient and wait for price to play itself out. Are there trades you can take within this? Absolutely. Absolutely. Is it trades that I want to take? Not right now. I'm waiting on price to get to 395, 396 area, and I want to see how it behaves up there. From 375 to 426 is what's in my plan. So that's what I'm going to wait for. If we don't get it, then the plan will be adjusted. Until then, that's the target.
I'm with you. I'm kind of watching the news just to see if there's any crazy things coming out. Nothing too crazy, but
no, it'll come out when we get to the supply zone. Don't worry. As soon as we get to the supply zone, oh my God, there's bombs there. Oh, okay, all right. And the VIX is doing exactly what I wanted to do. Remember, we said we want the VIX at 1630. Look at the VIX right now, pushing down to 1647. So thus far, my thesis is playing itself out exactly how I want it to. I just gotta be patient, right? If I'm wrong, then I'll be wrong in cash, right? But if I'm right, I'm more than willing to put the risk on, right? I'll feel much more comfortable putting the risk on based off my analysis when my analysis plays itself out. If it doesn't play itself out, then I have an alternative analysis to go to, but it requires me to miss this first move, and I'm okay with that, right? What I'm not okay with is taking shorts or longs right here. I'm just not going to do it. Does it feel like an area where price could reject? Yep. It looks like we about to put in a head and shoulders right here at 314, break down, and then push back up to put in a head and shoulders. But that's not in my plan. That is in me discussing price, but that ain't in my plan. So if it does that here, hey man, congrats to anybody that took it. It ain't gonna be Hobbs. It's a wick in higher time frame, so higher time frame still valid. Yep, I agree. I think the higher time frames are speaking right now, right? I think that this is an area where price could potentially be sweeping the high because now we just took something, right? So now we got to see what price does right here because we did take a high now. So the question is, are we taking the high to go lower or are we taking the high to go higher? Based off the tape, unless some aggressive sweeper comes in here, it looks like we're taking the high to go higher. And NVIDIA is now at 902. Big boner candle on NVIDIA right now. So
yeah, this is definitely interesting. I don't have any levels to play off of right here.
Exactly. That's why we just sit on our hands, bro.
Yeah, oh no, I know. But we are inside a gap fill though on the 15 second, which is interesting. But I don't normally play gap fills, so I shouldn't say normally. I don't play gap fills, but
he said normally I don't play gap fills. Let me just say that. The way I look at it is I'm anticipating me potentially missing this trade. So I'm already thinking about those feelings in the event that my analysis is incorrect. What this is going to look like is when I look back on this is going to be a triple top up here after a change of character. But I'm okay with that because I want to wait for my analysis, and this area is not in my plan. So if this area wants to sell down, then it should create supply on the 5 minute between 323 and roughly about 299. And I'll be sure that we get a break of structure after this. Then price should come down aggressively, showing me that sellers want to get below 265 and then come back to retest this area. That's pre-planning what you want to look for and what you want to do. If price doesn't do that, and it gives me what I want, then I'll look to trade that.
Yeah. All right. I think I have my plan. I know what I want to do. I don't know if it's gonna play out. We're dumping right now, but I'm cool with it. So just looking at the trend right now, the trend is down since we changed character. We closed below this low right here. However, we're in this like uptrend, and I think this uptrend is more bait than anything else, right? Like just me reading the volume. This is a low volume push. We're making higher highs and higher lows. I want to see what we do at this 50% of 33975, right? Basically, this was, you can consider this supply. I mean, it's not, you can consider this area kind of like a supply area right here where we're kind of pushing up. And so I'm looking for this to be our retest area before we end up flushing and breaking this low and potentially coming back down to this 4 hour. So that's my plan, because we're just coming back up, and we're coming back up so slow that I'm looking for this to we're stair stepping up so we can elevator down. So that's my plan. That's what I'm looking for.
Are you what's your 4 hour levels? I think we got the same area. I just got it marked on the 1 hour.
The 4 hour is from 203.50. The 4 hour that we bounced from yesterday.
Oh, you're looking to short down to that 4 hour. Okay.
Yeah. I'm looking to short down.
Looking at areas to get short.
No. The area. So we already rejected the previous day high. So I think I would be open, because as we come back up, we're just coming back up super, super weak. So I'm hoping that we can get all the way back up to 340. And if we can get back up to 340 and I see sellers show up at 340, then I'll look to short this. And this will also be, like you said, that head and shoulders pattern that we've been kind of looking for. So that's what I'm on.
340 as being the left shoulder. I want to see an aggressive push by the buyers to create the head, but
that could work too.
This area, I'm aware that this area we could potentially start dumping from here. But like I said, if we dump from here, then I'm not going to be involved in that move.
Yeah. Now we're just too much in the middle, and I don't have any levels to play off of here. So
Yeah.
I agree.
Voice said, I ain't gonna lie, guys. I think this Iran stuff is smoke and mirrors. Yeah, I honestly like it doesn't. I'm not gonna say I don't care because I always care about lives being lost or whatever. But like I feel like market follows structure, right? So whatever you look at, whatever you see is always gonna be smoke and mirrors because the market's still gonna follow structure, right? Like nothing changed yesterday other than we got news about Iran. Right. But the market was at a 90-minute demand zone and was already starting to reverse. Right. Like it was starting to reverse on Friday. So when the market opened and started to push up, it had nothing to do with the news. It had everything to do with structure. Does the news, I'm not going to say nothing because the news is the reason why people buy and sell, which could speed up the process of structure. But at the end of the day, all the market did was follow structure. That's it.
Well, you don't think that that news could break structure rules to a certain extent?
Nope. Here's what I think. I think when the market, here's what I think, Jay. Like this is just my philosophy about structure and the algorithm, right? I think that there's a certain amount of allotted funds that can be pushed in the market throughout a per day based on the news or fundamentals, right? But those funds are pushed through an algorithm that moves the same every day, right? Therefore, if the market's gonna sell, right, and the liquidity is being injected to the sell side, then it's already creating that structure on the algorithm because the money's already there, right? There's never been a situation, you could go back and look at any flash crash or whatever. If you go back and look at the market still follows structure. There's never been a situation. Does it follow structure faster? Yeah, absolutely. You know what I mean? But it always follows structure, always. There's times when the market can speed up and skip through areas, right? But it came from an area that consolidated before it dumped. Case in point, look at the opening candle at 9:30. That dumped through 1, 2, almost 3 structural lows on the 2-minute, right? But it was because it was the opening candle print, but the price was already looking to do that anyway. It just got more injection of liquidity at 9:30. So it was already pushing down no matter what. It just, okay, it's 9:30. Now we can push down faster because we have more liquidity, right? It's the same thing when you look back at London, Tokyo, Sydney. There's not a lot of liquidity during those time frames, but the market's still moving the same as it would move in the New York session, just slower. There's another double top here at 325, but I feel like this is just inducement to trap more sellers as we start to stair step up. Like I said, I'm looking for an aggressive sweep of this high up here at 352. I think Justin's looking for 340 to potentially get rejected. I don't want to touch this right here though. So
yeah, neither do I. I want to once we're done trading, let's look at the COVID crash to see what that. I'm just curious to see what the COVID.
Yeah, I guarantee it follows structure. I would bet my bottom dollar that it follows structure. Don't say COVID on TV though. I'm just kidding. I mean, prices are in that area. Now I'm curious because prices are in an area where I want to trade it anyway. So this thing wants to flush from here. Go for it. But let me go look at the 1 hour because I'm pretty sure it'll let you go back there. What day? Like, was it like March 20th? The day that the market crashed.
I don't remember what day it was, to be honest.
I think it was March. I'm pretty sure it was March 2020. So let's go back. Let's go to March 5th. It won't let me go back. I gotta go to a higher time frame.
It won't really?
Yeah. I'm back to April 2nd, 2020. Let me go to the 4 hour. All right, here come these sellers in at that area again. I want to see this low broken. Sorry. All right.
It looks like we're not gonna get as high as I wanted us to get. But
yeah, me neither.
Maybe we might.
Now we're inside of this consolidation after breaking the high of 313. We double topped inside of that consolidation, but we're sweeping the high and now we're sweeping that low. of 294. Let's see if we can find buyers aggressively right here and push the market back up. Because it still doesn't make any sense for us to sell down right here, at least in my brain. I could be missing something, but yeah, Nvidia's still pushing up here. I want to see the VIX sell down to like the 30, but it looks like it's ready to pop.
Yeah.
Oh nope, it's trying.
Oh, I just wanted it to be a consolidatory day. Let's make a move.
Nah, we're just consolidating for the morning. Looks like we're potentially looking to start to sell down here.
Make a move.
Still flat on the day, ladies and gents. Macros are overlapping, which tells me that we're just going to continue to consolidate here. As long as they're continuing to overlap, there's nothing for me to do. I have my plan in place. I know where I want to trade. And if market wants to show me something different, then I'll adjust to what the market shows me. But I'm not going to participate in price right here because I don't have a plan for right here.
Yeah. Neither do I. 343 is the level, or no, 339 is the level. Looks like we're gonna come down though.
Yep, looking good to the downside. I just want to see, like I said, if we're gonna sell down, that's fine. Then I'm gonna look to participate in price back to the upside. When we come down, at least I'll know that there's an opportunity down at 180, give or take, to push price back up into supply, the 5-minute supply, and then short it back down. So those would be my 2 trades on a day. What I'm looking for right now is for the story to be developed a little bit, right? That's all I'm looking for. There's a nice push down. Let's see if we can break through 262 now. VIX is rocketing up to 75 here. Now the VIX is supporting this move to the downside. Should be a nice clean push through 261 if the VIX continues to get aggressive.
Man, talk about a rejection by them.
Look at the time. Look at the macro time at 10:10. I mean at 10 o'clock. It's 50% of the macro. See it? Right on time. Very good. And again, just more information, right? I'm not comfortable trading them yet, but it's just more information. There's more. Good job. Did you take it? Okay, good. I think that 10:10 macro, right inside of that 10 o'clock macro, if you look at the 10 o'clock time frame, we printed that candle, that bearish candle at 10:02. And I like what I was seeing, but again, I'm not fully interested in the macros yet, but I'm definitely paying attention, right? I love that right there. That was textbook right there. I really love that. That double top right at 10:02. That was beautiful. I mean, that was let's see, 321. That was a 70-point drop right there from that macro. Very clean. He pissed. he on his gangster shit today. He said, "Yeah, motherfucker, take my money last week." Okay. All good, brother.
Woo! This might not be done though.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for too. Yeah, I'm gonna chill until the retracement comes in, which I might long the retracement. Go ahead. Yeah, that's exactly what we got. But for me, it just wasn't in my plan to trade it that way, right? Like I didn't disagree. I disagree with your thesis because it wasn't my thesis, right? It wasn't what I wanted to do, but I understood the logic behind it. I said, hey, if we come up here and we double top, I think it's going to be definitely opportunity to short the market up there. So I definitely like the trade. It just wasn't for me. It wasn't in my plan, but I liked it for sure. The daily fib definitely acted as resistance multiple times right there. And then we came back into the structure at 327 and then fell down. So I definitely liked it. Gangster. Gangster. This thing is juking. That's why I was like, ooh, VIX looked like it's about to take a ride. It didn't even bother coming down to that demand zone. I was like, nope, we're gone. That's it. Yeah. Aggressive sell candle. This thing is Pop was like, he's just laughing looking at the CBD. He's like, this freaking CBD, man. Like, yeah, it was looking really aggressive up there. I like it. Very clean. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, looks like we're moving to take out these lows down here at 165, where I'm looking to potentially participate in price is down at 165 to take us back up to this 5-minute demand, this 5-minute supply zone that's just been printed. So we got settlement price at 179 as well. So I really like what we just got right there. I'm very satisfied with that. Very satisfied. I'd much rather short the market now that we've broken that character, but I'm willing to long the market back up to this area. So
I just wasn't in my area to short. So it was a good short though. There was reasons to get short. I didn't take it. Or did I? No, I didn't. Nah. I mean, I would like to see us. This is where it's tough because there's two areas we could either come back up to 5293, or we can get 50% of this move and reject 50% of the move at 259. This candle looking crazy. We're getting a V-shaped recovery right now if I ever seen one. We literally spent like almost no time down here. How did you long it down there? Did you get long?
Oh, no. I'm waiting. Oh. I wanted to, but it didn't come down as low as I wanted to. But now that we got a huge gap that just got formed, I'm looking to short it when we come back into this gap. You see the 5-minute gap between 291.75 and 244. So I'm looking at shorts at basically 300.75. That's where I really want to get short.
Look at the 5-second chart. Thanks.
What am I looking for?
You see the inverse head and shoulders down at the low?
It was pretty dope.
I said, good Lord.
But again, I would rather participate in price. Dang, was that the 196 tap? Dang, I didn't even realize we tapped 196. We came down. Oh man, that was exactly my level. Oh man, I had it marked too.
Yeah, I had a 4-hour demand there. I didn't expect it to be like that though. Wow,
yeah, you gotta catch it on the lower time frame.
You have to, because I'm sitting here looking at the tape. I was like, damn.
Yeah,
but wasn't really. It sucks when it's not in your plan to take. But yeah, that was a hellified trade right there. Honestly, back up to the high. All right, we're about to tap on this 50% trade rate, or 50% of this move. So let's see what happens here.
Where you got 50% at?
259, just from the high to low of the dump.
Oh, okay. I got the high to low of the previous high and low, and that's at 300.75.
I took the high and low of the 2-minute range. I think it's on the 5. Yeah, I took it from the 5. The high and low from the 5. For 293 as well. Ooh, I'm watching, but damn, that 5-minute looks great. This 5-minute looks like a reversal on the 5. I'm not gonna lie. This basing candle is a lot of volume.
Yeah, we're not reversing. We're just coming back up. That was a clear breaker structure.
Oh,
that was
no,
a
it definitely
beautiful
was.
freaking long down there from 196 though. I just missed it.
Oh, it definitely was.
I don't know what the heck I was doing. I literally just said it, and then when I looked down, I was like, "Wait a minute, we tapped 196."
That was a 70-point move back to the upside.
I know, it's exactly where I wanted to get long too. I was like, 196 is where I want to get long, and then I think I was setting up the other trade, and it was just like, zoop. I was like, "Wow, all right."
Yeah, that was a 70-point move back. Good Lord,
that's pretty nasty.
This is a nice rejection on the 2-minute right here at this level. So let's see what we do. Very, very nice rejection. Go back to 15 seconds. Let's see. Man, they cleared the way for these buyers right there, though. Good Lord.
Take profit, I think is what you mean, Custom Barbecue. You say you just caught a vid with you doing a review on prop firms that's like between Apex and TopStep. What company was that?
You talking about My Funded? You talking about
Funded Futures.
My Funded Futures.
Yeah.
My Funded Futures has a deal going on right now where you can get all their accounts are $50. 150, 50, and 100K. I don't know why I did it like that, but whatever. But yeah, they're all $50 right now. And yeah, they're like TopStep and Apex put together, pretty much is what they remind me of. Their rules are pretty similar. I feel like they took the best of Apex, they took the best of TopStep, and then they made their own prop firm. Made our own prop firm because you need startup capital.
Because I don't want to. I don't want to start up my own prop firm. You
don't see too many like YouTubers starting futures prop firms. I've seen YouTubers start Forex prop firms, but not futures. Also, you test drive an account from them. I have not bought an account from them yet. Not yet. I just have so many accounts right now that it's kind of hard for me to justify getting another prop firm account from somebody else at the moment.
I mean, we just got so many cheap ass accounts. What's the point?
that too. but I do like giving the deals to the people. You know what I'm saying? And that right now, if you don't currently have like a prop firm you're using, I think that'd be a good way to get your toes wet for pretty cheap. Yeah, you know, dip your toes in the prop firms. You ain't never heard that saying before? Why you gotta have your mind in the?
Don't you argue with Justin?
Why
we
gotta go there, Valdez? Why we gotta go there?
Argue with Justin? I'm telling you, don't you do it?
No, I mean you can get your feet wet, get your toes wet. Ain't the same thing? You're still on your feet, right? You know, you dip your toes in the water so you can well, in my brain is the same shit. Too many liabilities, yeah. Oh, market. I hate when you do this, market. I hate when you do this.
Yeah, there's too much failure at this level.
I didn't want it higher. I wanted the structure up there instead. Whenever we get the continuation, there's so many times where we just reject and go. Like we don't get what
so aggressive. So aggressive.
Yeah, we got my area was correct. We just immediately started selling and never really came back up. It's all good though.
Jeez. It's like the day you commit to following your rules is the day you feel like you should break every one of your rules. It's like, oh my God, Marky, why? Why? All right, see you at 10:50, Market. Motherfucker, damn. Is this really necessary for you to do this?
Watch me put a dumbass.
50% of the fair value gap, you mean?
And here it goes, about to take off again. Yeah, we're about to take off from here. It just wants to make every move in like the middle of the range. Like, so annoying. Yeah. Are we about to put in a higher low here? Yep, we sure are. Man,
they coming from motherfuckers. Like, yep.
Look at the VIX. Look at the VIX right now.
Jumping, bro. That's why I'm just chilling.
What? What?
I know what I want. I know exactly where I want to trade now. I'm just waiting. Bruh. Just waiting. Trying to get Mark safe from this consolidation here. Look at that.
This market has no friends. Ooh. Market has no friends.
It's crazy. We're almost there. Patience. I don't even
know what I'm trying to do right now. So I'm just gonna enjoy the show. That's rather interesting. This market's looking real weak up here. Yeah, watching the candles on the 5 second. The 5 second actually.
I told you it's clean. You gotta make sure you don't get too engulfed. Like you gotta.
Well, the candles just form a lot slower than what you would like expect. Like 5 seconds goes by really quick, but like you have enough time to actually analyze the candle, which is kind of interesting.
Yes, you do.
And then you turn around and you look in 2 minutes. A 2 minute candle, you're like, damn, the market doesn't dump.
Keep an eye on 5191 on ES.
5191. Think we're gonna get back up to 5191?
Yeah, too many liabilities. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I feel like there's plenty of money to be made in the prop firm industry. It's just not the industry I want to be in. Like I'm cool with being a trader, right? And like growing my business from the trading, like educating, you know, selling merch, that type of shit. Like I don't want to be a prop firm owner. Like I'm good with that.
This part, I'd rather be able to trade from an Airbnb across the world with no overhead stress of running a prop firm. Exactly. That's a whole business that requires, I mean, it requires a lot of people. You have to have people who are good with risk management and like, I don't know. But as a business model, though, prop firms are actually a smart business model. That's for sure.
Oh, hell yeah.
Firms. They're
that I do agree with. They're definitely a great business model for sure.
Bing, 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 bing.
Right now, there's really just we broke another low, and then now the market's just consolidating again to either go lower or pop back up. So just capturing souls here.
Yeah. Let me go back to the 15 second. Yeah, we're just in between the prior low and the prior high.
Mm-hmm.
This is the area where
down,
you get
ultimately. I think we're gonna flip this book here and come down, but
yeah,
I'd rather have us come up, but I don't think the market cares what I want today.
We're putting in a rising wedge pattern right now, so yeah, we're probably coming down, but
yeah, this looks like another 5-minute demand or supply zone being built right here. Yeah, anytime they start removing that liquidity, like they don't need it at 250, you know, it's like, yeah, it's about to come down.
Okay.
God, where did this buyer come from? 63 lots, real quick. All right.
He's gonna sweep the market like that.
Yeah, we can get 63 of them, bro. We can get about 63 of them on the way back up, bro. 63.
Okay. You gonna sweep it again?
There it goes.
And then you get flushed
right
out.
It is a wrap.
Well, I don't know. I don't know.
Well, there's more selling coming in at these lows. The VIX is starting to push up again. Microsoft is flushing right now. Meta, Nvidia, they all look weak. Am I gonna get a trade in today? Etoli? Damn, look at that big ass buyer right there. That was 200 lots. Yo, if he doesn't move the market back up, nobody can, bro. Yo. That was a big, oh my God, this dude is buying his ass. Have you seen this?
I see it.
Oh my God. Yo, what is this guy on?
Crack cocaine.
Yo, but they absorbing it all. They're absorbing all of it. Oh yeah, they absorbed all of that liquidity. Oh boy, if that fails, that's gonna dump the market, bro. That was 200 lots right there.
He's still holding strong though. Oh yeah, the 200 at
200 lots, bro. If he fails, this thing's coming right down. That's crazy. What did he buy? What level did he buy it? 221? Oh no.
He bought at 221.25. It looks like.
Yep. Bro, he bought he bought 200 lots and sent this market at the low. Yeah, he got that pump. Y'all missed it there, right?
I heard you. I heard you. He got that pump. I heard
liquidity real quick.
Yeah, I don't know how they might not be done though.
Oh, I don't know what they're trying to do. I think they're trapping a bunch of freaking sellers. I mean, a bunch of sellers down here at these lows though. It feels like they're trying to run this thing, but I don't know. This is not in an area where I want to trade yet, so I want us to come up.
Yeah, I saw some weird activity on the tape.
This dude is fine. That's what we're talking about, the tape.
No, I know.
We just discussed the tape for 5 minutes, and Justin goes, also some weird activity on the tape. So
no. I didn't say also. I said I saw that weird activity on the tape.
Oh, okay. I thought you said also some weird activity.
No,
on the tape.
not
like,
also.
What?
I said I saw that weird activity, not also. But if we can't get above that high, this is going to be real short-lived at 240.
Mm-hmm. I want us to come up though, man. Like it's like every time I want us to come up, we just dance around and then we just dump. Like, bro, just come up just a little bit. That's all I need, just a little bit. Damn. The way we're killing all this liquidity up here, though, it just doesn't give me warm and fuzzies here. For me, I'm still waiting for 291.75 to pop. That's what I want.
We're in this just extra annoying range.
Mm-hmm. No direction. All right, here we go. Come on, get above the freaking high. Get above the high.
You long? Oh.
No, I'm not long either. I'm waiting on this to come all the way back up to 291. It was clean though. That see that 5 minute candle at 1010, Justin?
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's the candle I was talking about. With all the buyers.
Take the bottom of the base of the candle, the low, and then take a fib all the way down to the wick, and that's the exact strategy I was telling you about.
Yeah.
Man, don't fail up here. I think, bro, I just need you to come a little bit higher. Oh my God, it's gonna fail again.
Yeah, it looks like we're flagging down here to go lower.
Yeah, I do. I think it's the same. I think we're seeing the same picture. I just want us to come just a little bit higher. That's it. Like I don't want to short inside of this range. I just want us to come up a little bit higher. Yeah, I want higher prices. I feel like at some point you're gonna get trapped trying to short it in these little ranges, which is fine. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're inside of that chessboard. Yep. You might be safe. Yep. Yeah, we're just consolidating between that next 1050 macro, and I'm more inclined to believe that we go up. Go ahead.
This is about to reverse back to the upside. We're about to come back up. They're not ready to dump this yet. Maybe not though.
Just wait on 1050, man. See what we do at 1050. Got enough time.
Here comes a strong push down.
And every time they push it down, more buyers step in at the low.
Yeah, there's a lot of volume coming in though. This could be the reversal right here. Yeah, that was this is the trap that they be setting right here. That damn candle, that damn candle right there.
All your liquidity get cooked right
All these sellers that are trying to break this.
Everybody trying to get long or high right here. Most people are trying to get short because of what just transpired.
Yeah,
they're not understanding that that's exactly what the market wants you to do inside of this range. It wants you to get short and long in the middle, because it's basically ranging between 207 and 48, right? Like that's the range right now. And the lows is where you should be getting long, and the highs is where you should be getting short. But most people try to get long as it's starting to push out, and inside the range you're gonna get smoked, right? Like that's just how it's gonna work, right?
Yeah. So you can, at least for me, because I kind of expected for this push to happen back to the upside. So what I was doing was I was reading the volume compared to the candle. And so you see how we got like a lot of volume here, we got a little bit less volume here, and then this volume picked up. We got this doji candle, which normally a lot of people would view this as being bearish, but if you think about, a lot of the action happened down here where the market couldn't push any lower. So I knew the next candle we'd probably push back up. And like Hobbs is saying, I think ultimately we're going to break all of this, but you want the volume to kind of confirm it. Like you want a large push down candle with a lot of volume, kind of breaking these lows and breaking these lows, which we might be getting right now. But yeah, I would just stay out of all this, honestly. But this is looking good. This might break everything. It's just so hard to want to get short.
No, I definitely want to get short. I can't get short down here. Got to get short up at the high of the range.
The 2 minute. That was a nice rejection on the 2 minute though. It's a really nice rejection. That's here. A lot of strong selling coming into this market right now. Yeah, we're continuing to sell.
Yep, we got to come down. We got to come down further every single time. All right, now the range shrinking a little bit. Now we're at 236 to roughly about 192. So that's the new chessboard here, so to speak. So if you're looking to get short, I think shorts back into roughly, what is this, 227 could work out.
Look at the VIX, it's pumping again. Oh, look at, I hate you, gold. I hate you.
I don't even want to look at it.
Damn it. Son of a bitch. Meanwhile, while NQ is over here playing games. Oh my god.
This is a double bottom. NQ probably about to run all of this shit.
Oh my god. And Quizzle. Jesus.
Demon time. It's about to run all of this shit. We double bottom down there, and market was like out of here.
What you gonna do, NQ? As a retest of that trend line.
Man, the fact that NQ can't come up and retest anything just makes me feel like whenever this dump is finished, whatever the result's gonna be, it's gonna be a nasty dump down there to take those Tokyo lows out. Because we're still not down there yet.
Man, oh man. Did we go lower this time? No, we did go lower this time. This double bottom might actually result in something pretty nice. We'll see though.
Yeah, I'm just trying to wait for 1050. We're almost there. Almost there.
This wick ain't looking too nice.
Yo, every time they dump maybe like 10, 20 points, they buy it right back up. They buy it right back up.
Oh,
uh-oh.
Good Lord.
Uh-oh.
Good Lord.
Uh-oh.
Good Lord.
Spaghetti-o.
Oh my God. Look at
the mix. Jesus. They're gonna come right back up.
you cannot win. You cannot win. We're back down at this low again.
Yeah, whenever that 196 breaks, man, it's gonna be violent. There's no continuation, bro. Every time we get to the lows, the VIX NQ just comes right back up, storming. Just waiting on time.
Look at these buyers down
That's
here.
not me, bro. Like
Holy.
every time we put that low in, the buyers just aggressively buy it up down there at the low. It's just snatching souls. Every time you drop and you try to get short, by the time you think you got a good position, market comes right back up and takes that stop and goes.
Oh
It just can't
God.
keep price down. And then before it leaves, it's gonna run everybody's stop. Before it goes. Hey, look, here it comes. It's gonna run everybody's freaking stop. Watch this. NQ be on demon time for real, bro.
Yeah, there's just a ton of buying going on down here.
At the low, yeah, I know.
We're just not seeing a lot of follow through.
Yeah, but it's scary if you're trying to short down here. I'm just looking at this range and wondering which side's gonna break first. Either we're gonna sweep that low at 188 and fail and come all the way back up, I mean, this looks like a very nice downtrend. We're just continuing to make lower highs and higher lows. I mean, lower highs and lower lows. But it's just so aggressively choppy. Like NQ just it just takes forever to get going to the downside. I'll be glad when the volatility index is like at 20 and we could just smoothly push down. We run into these pockets of liquidity, these demand zones, and it just takes NQ forever to sell through them. But once it does, it's pretty lucrative. Just got to be patient and wait through it. Look at this thing.
There's just a lot of buying. There's a lot of buying interest down here. Yeah, but then the sellers just come right back in.
Yeah, the VIX is continuing to pump. Nice little rip on CL just now. I haven't really looked at all of the other stuff.
CL has got a nice pump. CL, GC got a nice pump. Yeah, don't even start with GC. Jesus Christ. I'm so tired of gold.
It's not even pumping. It's right back down to last night. Oh, it dumped though. It came down to 340 price. All right, here comes the break of structure down here on NQ. Maybe.
Yeah, ES is breaking its lows. So let's see. But again, man, I'm gonna take a long here.
Yeah, I don't think that's a horrible long. They just keep buying the market up at these levels.
We might get a sweep. If we get a sweep, then I'll be swept out. I'll be swept out, but I'm only risking $90. So
Justin's like, I'm so tired of seeing these buyers coming in down here.
they keep coming in at the low, so I mean, give it a shot. Every time they come down here, there's just some really strong buying. I'm liking the consolidation.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I think we may take out Tokyo before we go higher. We're so close, we might as well come down here and take them out. One big candle down to like 170. Yeah, we're at the bottom of it. These bulls, man.
They have no chill.
These lows, they just have no chill down here, bro. And there they go. There's just no way all of this buying doesn't result in a freaking flip. Like it's just there's no way.
That's what I'm saying.
Like, there's no way, bro. Like no freaking way. Like there's just too much buying for the market not to flip out of this area.
I'm up 20 points. I'm gonna go to break even just because we're at this high right here. And if we're gonna reject here. So I don't want to get caught. Thank you.
Yeah, I looked at it the same way, but I didn't want to put the risk on. I'll just wait.
There's just too much buying going on.
Yeah, is it?
Time we got to the low, I'm like,
I'm buying, bro. Like,
I'm not gonna let this pass me up. It's
too
much.
It's like this is too much, man. I'm fucking fucked. Like, damn. Like, if you're not gonna break down, you can't do anything but go back up. Like,
yeah, that was my thought.
And we're coming right into the 1050 price too, so maybe the reversal's on the way.
What did Pip say?
No, Pip probably got the longs.
Pip got long too.
Yeah.
Pip up 170 ticks already.
Yeah,
Jesus, Pip.
Clean. It was clean down at those lows. Like it just. Good job, Pip.
I just want to see us. Oh, that was on gold.
Oh,
nice.
Gold. Okay,
yeah,
okay.
gold ripped. That was like Jesus.
Yeah, down from that 40 level. Yeah, but I've created a monster showing Pip Gold. He don't even every chart he sends me is don't even got nothing to do with NQ most of the time. He be like, gold, bro, gold. I was like, I told you, bro, this thing be sending. And when it flushes, it flushes. All right, here comes that 1050 macro. Let's see if we can get this push to get Justin some bread today.
Yeah,
I'm still waiting to see if price can come up to 291.75. So hopefully he can. Oh, he talking about his job. He has a job.
Oh. But you good. I'm hoping we can push up out of here, but looks like we're retracing now. We still have not been able to get over that high, so it'll make me feel good, but I'm at break even, so I can't lose in the trade, so it's fine either way. Yeah, we're coming right back down.
Damn. Shit. I mean, that's what you want to see, but
we're just not getting any continuation by these.
Yeah, it's like
to bring us up higher.
I just hate this area in general. I don't want to do anything. I feel like if you're gonna do anything, you just have to scalp it. Like I feel like
it's very short lived. I was up
take 20 points and run.
It and just, this
thing is nuts, man. Look at this coming right back down.
Yeah. Don't know. Way. All right, I got stopped out there for break even. Yeah, these bulls are just the bears. Just they do not want to give this up. They're probably going to break this level this time, right? You would think. I don't know. I'm not gonna long it again.
The amount of selling and buying that's happening right now is just unreal. It's such a battle right now. They're trapping sellers at the lows, buyers at the highs. They're just smoking everybody.
Take that back. I'm in long again.
I'm in long again. He's like, I just can't give this area up. Like I'm not losing on this area. Yeah, we're inside of it. I just was talking about it. We're trading down into it. I think Justin's on the right path, looking along this. But I just want to see us sweep it first. Sweep down into Tokyo price and then come back up. That's what I want. Well, I haven't actually mapped out the exact area, but it looks like Tokyo we're actually right in it right now. So what I'm looking for is a push down into 180-150. So like right in that range is where settlement price is at. Woo. So we're like right smack dead in the middle of it, right above it right now. So it would make sense for us to sweep this area and then pop back up with all of the buying that's taking place right here. I just don't want to get long or short in this area just because I know what the result usually is. As long as we've stayed down at these lows, like we usually sweep this low first, right? And if we sweep this low like that, now we're tapping into where I want to get long. This is where I'm still
looking for longs. I got swept out, but I still like longs down here.
You know, market ain't gonna leave this area without taking his bread. And all of that liquidity that was down there at those lows, the market had to come in and get that shit first. And then it says 1705. Good job, bro.
Damn, Pip.
With the news, you mean? Yep. right, I'm long right here. Let's see what we do right here. I like this area. Test these longs out right here. $180, $175.
What was your entry?
180, 175.
Whew. Got him! Ha! I win.
You
179.75. Let's go.
179. Yeah, that looked good. I just you got it off the 5 second, huh? I got it off the 15.
I got off the 5. Yeah,
I got it off the
retest
15.
down.
Yeah, I was like, we stab into this area one more time. I was like, I'm taking this market long. I was like, this is everything that I want. I'm getting. I'm longing this market. I don't give a shit what anybody says. Let's go full send. Target's 291.50, and then I'm gonna be looking for shorts up there. You can hear me or no?
Yeah, you broke up for a second. Whatever you said.
I said I'm looking for. Sorry guys. I said I'm looking. My target. I'm looking for 291.75, and then I'm gonna be looking for shorts up there.
Yeah, right now I'm just seeing if we can't get above 281.
If we can just get above the. No, it's still at 17.
Yeah,
it's still at 17. It's looking like it wants to push back up. So if this downtrend is going to continue, then we'll probably get broken up. We'll probably get effed up in this trade. But I like the dip in the Tokyo price. Like I like everything about the area, and I like all of that buying that took place inside of this consolidation. So this is kind of like, this is not my pre-market plan, but it's one of those trades that kind of developed as we were watching price. I like the falling wedge that we're in right now. I like everything about the area. It's just a matter of am I early or am I late? But I'm on time as far as the macro goes. So we'll see what happens. Yeah.
I'm liking what I'm seeing on the tape as well. Just gotta continue to push here. Either way, I'm only risking like 6 points on this trade, so I'm wrong. $60. But the VIX is still pushing. All right, you can go up now. Taking that liquidity. Yeah, nope. All right, stopped out there. All right. Call this one a day. Don't do that to me. What's going on, John? Nice little rip on. Oh, you already read that. Nice rip on CO.
Don't be a dick for a tick, bro. You gotta take it. You gotta take it, bro. You gotta take it. Yeah, we're just in this really strong downtrend. I'm still in the longs. I'm thinking about adding to this position, honestly.
Where is the...
I just want to see us get above a freaking high already. Jesus.
Yeah, this is looking
There
good
we go.
right here.
There we go.
I missed the entry though.
There we go. All right, now just push above the freaking high. Let's get above 196. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You know what you want to do. You're not fooling me with that bullshit sweep. You're not fooling me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't stall out right here. Son of a bitch. Oh my God. It just slides back down like butter. It's like, yeah, no. All right, come on.
Ooh, okay, buyers.
All right, I'll be back.
For me, I'm just waiting for this to break up above. We can get above 196 or get at least close within this 192. I'll look to long the market on a pullback because then we'll be put in that kind of perfect inverse head and shoulders on a little bit of a higher time frame. Yeah, there we go. That's the push I want to see. We just I missed my entry down at the low there where I wanted to get it, but that's all good. I got stopped out. I put my stop below the low. So it was, my risk was like 6 points for like 72 or something like that. And we ran all the way down to 63.
Yeah, I got stopped out of that trade too, but I got back in for a better price.
Yeah, I like the low. I was switching over. I was switching over to a different account, and I couldn't get it in time. I like everything that I saw down there.
Yeah, we had.
I couldn't get it in time.
I gave it 15 points, which I thought was plenty, and it melted so fast. I couldn't even exit out of the trade. But I was like, I still like the area for long, so I just got right back in. But again, we're just failing to break the high every single time.
This actually
looks good though. This looks like a nice inverse head and shoulders here.
Exactly.
This looks like the reversal. So I'm gonna give this one the low and then let it play itself out. But I think it's a good trade. Good trade, good area. We got Tokyo price that was taken, London price that was taken. The objective's basically been met from price here. So I'm in long the second time at 170. Stops at 162, which is a much better entry than I had before. So still the same target of 291.50, but again, just kind of seeing what price has to offer here.
Yeah, I want price to come back down to 180 or lower, or like 174 would be ideal to re-enter into these longs. But if it takes off without me, then it takes off without me. But we're in 4-hour demand right now, and I do like the buy we just got.
Oh, are we in 4-hour demand?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Just hoping we don't continue to sell. Like, I just want a small retracement. That's it. That's it. That's all I want. I don't want nothing crazy. I'm not asking for much, market. Jesus. Selling, man. Thank you. Don't tell me you about to sweep again. You about to sweep again, aren't you? Yeah, you are. Look at this candle. Holy shit. Just hold 173, bro. Thank you. Thank you for coming in and saving me at 173. Thank you. Goodness gracious. I'm like, bro, at least like attempt to hold this inverse head and shoulders, please.
Bro, where are my lines at? Bro, I don't have my lines.
I don't know what you're talking about, Justin. You gotta be more specific.
On my chart right now. Hold on, let me go to a higher time frame real fast. Let me go to a 1 minute chart. Yeah, where the fuck are my lines at? Go to my settings. Bro, what the all right, I'm really not comfortable right now.
1050 move down is a Judas. I don't know what that means. You got to explain that ICT stuff to me. Good morning, John. Just came back to my runner from 301. Keep dumping. Yeah, I think it'll keep dumping, but I think we need to get a little bit of a retracement here. So I'm in the longs trying to get it to retrace. Stacked another 5,600 on my PAs for the day. Let's go, Micaiah. Let's go. Done, fellas. Have a good day. You too, brother.
Bro, I don't know. My entries on my screen isn't showing right now, so I don't know where I got long at. I don't know how to fix it.
What? Okay. What platform? TraderVate?
I'm on TOPSTEP. No, I'm on TOPSTEP X right now.
Okay, just flatten all. Or reset or just refresh the screen. Did you try refreshing the screen?
I'll try refreshing it and see what happens. Nope, still not there.
Does it say that your P&L is moving?
Yeah, my P&L is definitely moving right now.
Are you in the green?
Yeah, I'm in the green.
And then take a picture of that and tell them and shoot it to support and let them know what's happening. So you can have that, at least that situation can have proof to it, right?
Yeah. All right, I got the picture. I'm gonna flatten this. All right, I'm out of that trade.
Man, the VIX is pumping.
Where is me? Where was the account that I was just trading in? Yeah, this one. What does this say? Let me get into. Just see what happens if I buy one. Oh, now it wants to work. Now you want to show? Oh my god, I
Goodbye.
hate you. Huh?
Goodbye.
I know. But I bought one. I bought one
micro.
one micro just to see like what was gonna happen. It just took
He's like,
the
let's
fuck
see what
off.
happens if I buy. I was like,
Whatever happened, I just fixed it. But I'm a little upset that I just got like a 10-point banger right there. Oh my god. All right, well, I'll let this go and see what happens.
Yeah, I'm still in the longs. I'm long 170, looking for a push back into 291.50. That's all I want. 120 points away.
This is actually in my other account right now. Oh my god. Oh, this is the perfect inverse head and shoulders right here.
Mm-hmm. That's why I said we just got a whole 173, and I was like, all right,
a banger with one micro.
We just got to get above the high, man. Like we keep trading right to the high, and but we're trading with so much buy volume. It's crazy. And then as soon as we get up there, we reject, like none of that buying happened. Look at this. Look at this candle on the 2-minute, bro. Like what the what is that? Come on. What is that?
Right, this was not the one that I meant to buy.
Games, bro. Wow, that rejection at the high was nasty. Wow, that was a 198 right, down to 177. That was a 12-point dump. You guys see what I used there? No, that was a 20-point
dump
flash
for the win.
Jeez, that was quick.
Get out of there. Okay, I fixed it. I don't know what was going on, but it's good now. That was very annoying. I'd still be in this trade long because I caught it at the bottom. It just I just freaked out because I couldn't see my stuff.
It's all good, man. Like yeah, I would have freaked out too. Shit, I'd have been like, nope, I'm out. Flatten everything until I figure this shit out. I would just send them that report and maybe they reset you back to 0 for the day.
No, it's cool. I'm up $10 on the trade, so or on the account. I didn't lose any money. It just freaked me out because I was like, bro, I don't know where my entry is. I don't know, like the brackets aren't there.
I mean, you're flying blind. No instruments. You're flying blind. That's not where you want to be. I completely understand that.
But I think this thing is about to go though. Every time we get up to the high,
man, we get rejected so nasty at the high. Like it does not make me feel good at all. Market just ain't marketing right now. It just ain't marketing right now. I don't know. Today is not the day to be a reversal trader. Like the market is like, we're going down and there's nothing you can do about it, sir. Yeah, but we got 1 minute left in this 15-minute candle. It's good consolidation, but yeah. It looks really good on the 5-minute. As long as the 5-minute candle doesn't go back bearish again. Oh my god, the sellers. Oh my god, this candle, bro. This candle is nasty. Buyers keep buying back up though, so we'll see.
Yeah, I like this area. I think we're gonna push. It looks like we're building demand down here. The longer we stay down here.
Yep, I do too. But again, this is my last trade in this area. If this fails, then so be it. Like I'm just gonna leave it alone until we either come back down to 18,000 or come back up so I can potentially get a nice short. But we just haven't come back up to any significant areas where I wanted to short it. So I was looking to long it back into in a nice area, but now it just like looking at these wicks, it just feels like the sellers are just so much stronger than the buyers. Look at this thing. Look at the amount of selling, bro. Look at the bigs. Lord Jesus. Yeah, we just basically created, it looks like we're creating supply now. I'm going to break even. I don't like this. We're just literally like building so much value to the sell side. and the bulls just aren't accomplishing anything.
Strong seller.
I'm just done fighting these bears. The bulls just don't have it in them to reverse this market. Not even to retrace the market. Like every single time we consolidate, all of the buying is just not being met with any type of like push back up. We're getting a strong push, but it's just short-lived. Don't go anywhere. I don't know how the hell I'm still in this trade, but I am. I don't know how the hell I'm still in, but I'm in. Just take the high already. God, quit this playing in Q. Drive me fucking nuts. Why must we play this game? Another overlapping macro. Nothing happened inside of that macro except for more consolidation, which means we're probably going to go back down further. Oh. Thesis is not invalidated until we break the low, but it's slowly becoming an invalid thesis here. It's just, bro, it's crazy, man. They do all of this buying and then they just dump it. Shit. Woof. Look at that. Like all of this buying, 134 lots, bro. Like, you're not gonna tell me these buyers aren't trying to get filled, bro. Like, huh? Oh, there's a like, you're not gonna tell me. Like, the thing is like the thing is like the buyers are trying to push out, but there's just so much selling that they're popping the liquidity and then they're just absorbing it and bringing more sell side liquidity. Like every time I think if there's a pump, like it just keeps getting destroyed by the buyers. I mean, by the sellers. Like, are we not gonna get any type of relief? Like, this is crazy. Look at all of this liquidity they're putting on the tape to support this area. The NQ needs to go down further to actually push up. It's like, come on, bro. How much deeper do we gotta go, NQ? Yeah, they're about to come and get me. Oh, come on, man.
And then it's like every time they run a stop, like they immediately buy it back up.
Immediately. And you know, that's why it looks so bullish, but then it's just no follow through from it. It's still in a trade, so we'll see what happens.
Yeah, that was damn, that was a good candle, that 5-minute candle right there.
Right. All these candles, I was about to say, all these candles have been good candles. The result of the candles have been absolutely horrendous. Yeah, they just turned the water off at the top. The VIX is at 20 now. Yeah, up, not down. Man, I'm out of this trade, bro. I'm wrong. There's no way. I'm out. I'm taking my bread. There's no way this thing's gonna pop back up. Like if it pops back up, then fuck it. I'm just wrong. Like there's just too much selling, and the VIX is too aggressive. I think this is a great area for the market to push up. It's just taking its sweet ass time, and it's driving me insane. Like no matter how low you get on price just continues to push lower. Don't fucking do it. Oh my god. I got a love-hate relationship with NQ today, bro. I love to hate this motherfucker all day today. Just dumb, man. Just keep inducing more and more sellers, which just tells me they want to pump this market. They just need to find more sellers, so they got to keep selling down lower and lower and lower and lower until they find that pocket of sellers that are just like, all right, cool, this is enough, now we'll go. More selling. VIX is at 1720 now.
Oof. Good lord. Good lordy, lordy.
Yeah, that's why I got out. I was like, they just trying to break this damn level down, and then they're gonna send the market.
Man.
They buy it right back up and then pump it right back down, or dump it right back down.
Well, it's about liquidity.
VIX is at 20 now. Again, more aggressive freaking selling coming into this market. Like they just continue to push this market down. And the stocks are just not participating whatsoever for any type of recovery. I think the recovery is coming. We're just in a really good area. Just market, the NQ just loves to sweep, just continue to sweep until it pisses you off and you just give up. And then it's like, all right, cool. Now we can rally. And you know the rally's coming the whole time. But it's like, damn, NQ, why we got to play these games the whole time? Get above another high. Meanwhile, ES is just sitting there. It ain't moved, which is what you want to see to be like less stressed. God damn. ES is just sitting at 51.68. It hasn't moved at all. I think I got the right idea down here for these longs. Right, that's why I'm not really giving up on them. I'm continuing to look to long the market down here. I just think NQ's just trying to play mind games, right? Like before it goes up, we got to get above some type of structure for me to feel comfortable in the positions that I continue to get in. I'm long again at 167.50. Like, how much lower do you need, NQ? Like, damn. And just to protect myself, I'm just going to break even because the drops have been so dramatic that you don't even have time to do anything else. So you need to get to break even or just accept the loss. See, like this. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't think I'm wrong. Like I think I'm correct. I just think I'm early when the market keeps continuing to push down. I think this is a good entry though. I think all my entries have been good. My executions have been pretty good. It's just, you know, NQ likes to keep stepping down those stairs. Step, 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 step.
Man, this market. What'd you get, Lon?
It's 67.50 on take profit and 68.50 on TOPSTEP.
Gotcha. Looks good.
I mean, we're in a very, very valid area. Like this area makes a lot of sense. The market is just being a pain in the ass to get above the high. All right, there's a push. I didn't even see that.
I see. It looks really good. I was trying to get long. I couldn't figure out a good entry for me that I really liked. It looks good though. It looks really good.
Yeah. And finally the buying came in. Like I just I know. Look, I gave it 15, then break even. Then I said, fuck it. Just give me the fucking 20 points, man. I know, right? I know, bro. I'm like, bro, this shit get on my nerve.
No.
He's stupid. He gonna say I might be the liquidity provider. All right, ES is pushing out here too. We just gotta get above this freaking high, man. Like, I like the aggressive buying that came in this time, and for the first time, we didn't get rejected right away. So hopefully, we can continue to push. I want to make me something to eat, but damn, we just got to get above this high at one. No, don't do it, man. Stop, bro. Like, just get above the high at one. You know what? I'm going to go make me something to eat. I don't care. Like, I've risked my wrist on this trade. Like, it's very well managed. It's like I said, NQ was just playing games. So I'm going to go make me something to eat. And I'm going to come back and check and see where we are.
Yeah, I think we're in a good area, honestly. We got a nice little falling wedge going on right now in the 5 second. We're probably about to push out of this and go straight up. Straight up. Straight up. I should push right back into that level. Yep, there it is. There's that pop. No, we're back at this level, at that high. Just don't want to see this reject. Ooh! There you go. There, oh, just don't fail here. We just don't want to see this fail. A lot of strong buying that just came in. What up, Ollie? How's it going? Bravo Jones, let's see low. Let's see if she hold. Yeah, I'm done. Have a good one. All right, bro. Yeah, this is looking good to continue going up. That was the fake out to get everybody to go short right here, only to rip the face off. Anyone in this long shuttle? Hobbs is in long. We got to break above this high though. We've got to get above this high. It is
boiling.
paramount that we get above this high right here.
Did you get in, Jay?
No.
Continuation?
No.
Okay.
No. No, I think we're gonna continue pushing, but this is the area where the trap gets set for people trying to get short after we just ball all that up.
Yeah, my stop is at the low, so I'm hoping that's like the low a day, and we come back into 291.75, so I can take the short down too. So I'm looking to take both of these trades. This is basically what I was looking for, but the market was just playing stupid ass games down here. I'm like, bruh. Yeah, I got back in. I got in at 167.50. Yeah. I'm just waiting. I want to see if we can push through all of this and return back to I guess for you this would be 950 price. See that? So that's why I'm looking to take price back to where we got that huge imbalance right there. So see what happens. I think we could from yesterday. You talking about yesterday, right? I mean Fridays. We haven't had 12 o'clock. Oh, you mean like midnight. Yeah. 262. 262 is basically the low of this box, the previous high and previous low. I'll definitely look to potentially secure profit right there as well. But it's between 262 and 291. That starts my profit taking area. So I wouldn't disagree with that at all. But I got some water boiling for some noodles. So we should be at least pushing until 11:50. So I got a little time.
Yeah, I want to see us pull back into 80. If I'm gonna get long, if not, I'll just let this go. We got a lot of sellers underwater right now, though. Yeah, he was 2 ticks. Tape speeding up. Nah, I don't think there's any real news. It's 11:30. Nah, it's going. Oh.
Yeah, let's go, baby. Let's go.
No clue.
Because we had all of that selling got taken on, bro, down there, bro. Stop it, man. Stop it, bro. What? I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. I could care less what this thing does. It's either gonna go to my profit target or it's gonna come and get me, bro. I'm chilling. Yeah, watch it. You be like, bro, for real? Like, I know, like, cause you just become immune to it after a while. You're just like, man, whatever, NQ. Like, I either go to my profit target or freaking come all the way back down. Yeah, like you think, you think you gonna just keep showing me the same shit, and I'm gonna keep falling for it. No, NQ, you go up or you come the fuck back down. Yeah. I don't know. I'm not gonna make the same mistakes I was making last week though. So I'm up roughly 40 points. So I'm gonna lock in 20 of those points. I think that's the responsible thing to do. So last week I gave back a lot of profit. So I'm gonna lock in 20 points right there at 88.50, which is behind a protected low right there. So if the market wants to continue to push, at least I lock in 20 points and I'll be fine with that. So all right, I'll be back.
Yeah, this thing is still pushing. So, yeah. Okay, I'm sure did hold this little trend line, didn't we? Ain't that bad a bit. Bounce right off of it. Not much to do for me until we come back down and retest the low. Bully gang at EVAL, low of day, low of week on repeat. He said bully gang at EVAL, low of day, low of week on repeat. The thing though is like, I mean, the only thing about low of day is like, nobody truly knows where low of day is until it's put in. You know what I mean? Like there's like some little factors you could tell that it could potentially be low of day, but like I don't know. Low, like once we establish low of the week, sure. Like if we come back down and test it, that's one thing. But like the low of day is one of those things, at least in my opinion, where like you don't actually know where low of day is until it's put in. You know, like this is the low of day for now, but I mean, we could easily come back down and sweep it and make a new low of day. That's what I'm saying is you don't know what the low of the day is until the low is truly put in. Like this could potentially be the low of the day. I agree, but like yeah, like and the low of the week hasn't been put in yet either because the week is just this is the new week. So the previous week and even the previous week, like we haven't tested the previous week's low, right? What's that sequence? Mm-hmm. Oh, right over here. I think I see what you're talking about. Yeah. 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 Yeah, no, I agree. That's why I was looking for longs down there. But I mean, my reasoning was a little different, but still, I mean, come to the same conclusion of why you want a long down there. I agree.
I'm all out of that trade, guys. We got smoked for 30 points.
Oh, did you secure 30?
Yeah, I moved it up.
Nice.
I moved it up to 30. Once I saw the rejection and the change of character on the 1 minute, I wasn't a fan of that. So the change of character below 196 was not something I was interested in staying around for. I just know the narrative of price. The narrative of price is to the downside. So any resistance met at the high just leads me to believe that the buyers still aren't ready to buy higher. So maybe we want lower prices. And on a day like today, where I'm counter trend trading, I would rather take that little 30-point scalp, get back all my losses, and then wait for price to come back to that 291.75 level and look to short it up there if it comes back up there. Right now, like
little.
Hmm?
I said you said little. 30 points ain't little.
Well, I mean, 30 points on 1 mini definitely isn't little. It's a $600 $600 price. But my thought process is, like I told you guys last week, lowering my targets so that especially when I'm counter trend trading, and I understand I'm counter trend trading right now. So even though my target was 291.50, the market had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 highs it had to take in order for it to get to that target. I was aware of that. So I said, okay, 221 we got to. That was a 60-point move. Let me get at least half of that to give the trade some room to breathe, which I thought I did. We ended up sweeping this protected low and took me out. So that's fine. If it continues to go up from here, that I'm completely okay with that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I agree. I think the objective 100% has been met. And I think the secondary entry where I got out might be the secondary entry right there. but I'm not gonna be upset with it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not gonna be upset if like, I guess over the weekend I reviewed a lot of my trades and I gave back a ton of profit, like a ton, right? Like, I'm talking thousands of dollars I gave back, right? So I'm just trying to get better at being able to hold my trades, but also take reasonable profits off the table in the event that the trade doesn't work out, because you could be right or I could be right. The market has to decide, right? I don't know. Like, we all thought we were right on Friday. You know what I mean? Like, we all thought we were right on Friday. But you know what is correct is the money that's in my account right now, right? That's not a lie, right? So that's the way I'm trying to, I won. So no matter how I look at this trade now, it's a win. What I was doing last week, I was getting myself tilted because I would take the trade off for 30, 40 points, watch it rally for 200, and then I would like beat myself up about it. And then it would cause me to go into more FOMO. Cause me to try to hold trades longer, rush into trades, like just do dumb stuff, right? When the reality is, what is my objective? My objective is to extract money out of the market. I can consistently get 20 to 30 points out of this market, no problem, right? No problem. That's not my problem at all. My problem is that I hold for 100. I hold for 150 in the wrong direction, right? Counter trend trading, looking for reversals that never come in a market that's trending inside of a range, right? When we start selling, yeah, we met the objective, but who's to say we can't go lower? That's our objective. That's how we look at it, right? But the market has its own objective and we don't know what that is, right? So that's the why I'm just like, you know what? Let me just look at Hobbs's objective. Hobbs's objective for his account is to take home 30 to 50 points a day. And that's all I need to be worried about. I can't be worried about, you know, is this market going to reverse all the way up or blah, blah. Fuck all that shit. Like, no. That's your job as a money manager, right? Like, you're managing your money. Your objective is to bring home profit every day, not to watch yourself consistently give back profit. I'm just not for that.
Ooh, what are we doing? What are we doing?
Justin, you ever eat ramen noodles with chopsticks?
Yes, all the time.
My son loves to do that shit.
All the time.
What's the difference between ramen noodles with chopsticks and just ramen noodles with an American pork?
I mean, there's not much of a difference, I don't think. I mean, you gotta kind of like, I mean, you can't like spin it around. It's more of like a slurping type of deal.
Oh, you be slurping?
You gotta slurp it, man. All Diddy. If you want to get it, you gotta slurp it. Oh no, I said all Diddy. All Diddy. You gotta get your slurp game up if you're gonna eat ramen with some chopsticks. You know what I'm saying? That's the only way to be.
Y'all gonna let this ride?
Yeah, they gonna let it rock. They gonna let it rock. You got to. So that's the only. You gotta let it rock. You gotta let it ride, man. Oh, this is not gonna play out nicely for me.
Are you long?
No. I'm trying to open up this can that my wife threw at me. It fell on the floor. I wanna drink this drink, but it's gonna spray everywhere. Yeah, it's too.
You about to slurp. Let's slurp. You about to slurp and get sprayed on everything.
And get sprayed all on stream.
I'm weak on this dude right there. I'm cool on Justin right here. All right, watch this macro right here. We're trading down in the side of 1150. Let's see if we start to trade back up inside of the macro after taking this sweep right here. If we do, I'll look to take the market long again.
Yeah, I like everything I see to take the market long. I'm just hoping not to be right here, though. I want it to come down a little bit lower. Don't you do it. Don't you do it, NQ.
All right, I'm in long here. Again, just looking for a push back into the high. We're right inside of that macro. Right, trading down into that macro. Just looking at the back testing I've been doing. Like when we trade down, Once the macro starts, we usually trade back up inside of the macro. So just based off that, I took it long right into the target. So I'm cool with that. I secured profit on the initial entry, and now I'm back in based off time, right? And I didn't have to sit through this stupid ass pullback, because for what? And there we go. Money, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right, just looking for a push back into 221 right here. Thank you, sir. I've been working on it all weekend, bro. All weekend. All right, we're coming up pretty aggressive, so I'm gonna move my take profit to back to that original 291.25 target. Like I said, 262 is on the table as well. But again, I just didn't want to give back all that profit, because I would have been inclined to sell out of fear, and I know that about myself. So I'm just adjusting to who I am as a trader, right? I can't be like Pip. I can't be like Valdez. I can't be like Justin. I got to be who I am. And I know what makes me uncomfortable, right? It makes me uncomfortable giving back that type of profit, even if it's just a pullback. I'd much rather secure the profit and re-enter the trade based off time and or structure. And now we're up another 20 points on the trade, 30 points right there. So we're going to lock in more profit right there on the day. Locking in about 10 more points right there. So now we're locking in 40 points on the day, right? Now the market can't hurt me. Now I'm more inclined to hold the trade, because no matter what this trade does, I've locked in a total of 40 points, right? Like no matter what, within 2 trades, I've locked in 40 points, which is $800 on the day, right? So let this thing continue to push, and now I'm comfortable, right? Even though it's only 10 points on this trade, it's a total of 40 points on the day, right? Even with my losses, right, I'm still locking in a decent amount of money on the day. And that's what I got to start managing, not the trade so much. I got to manage me in my account. My first target is 262. And my second target is 291.75. We just got to get cleanly above 222. That was my first initial target. But the buying looks very, very strong, and the VIX is selling down. So I'm more inclined to hold this time. And the way we came back up on that 15-minute candle looked way better than the first.
Oh,
man. Freaking demon time, bro. I'm convinced of it. It don't, bro.
Yeah, these bears.
These dumbass. But Mark be like, man, shut your dumb ass up.
These bears.
All right, we're getting our push. We're about 5 points away from our first target. And once we clear this target, I expect a pullback. After that pullback is completed, I'm going to move my stop to that initial target. These noodles inspired. Did y'all know? I don't know if y'all a noodle advocate like I was growing up, because we was broke, but
A noodle advocate?
yeah, like
A noodle connoisseur?
ramen noodles, you freaks. Ramen noodles. An advocate for noodles. Right?
Yeah, you like noodles,
listen,
bro? Like
listen,
what noodles you slurping,
Oh
huh?
my God,
You a
I'm so
noodle? He a
you
noodle
guys,
head?
bro, hey, look, don't join the Discord,
Uh,
because all we do is Diddy people in here. Let's go. Push.
Noodle.
Wow, LOL. I know, right? Shut the fuck up. I told you that. He said, nah, shut up. NQ hear you, bro. NQ be hearing you, bro. Stop. All right, we pushed above 222. Now we just need to close and hold 222. That's all I want now. Get up there and hold it.
Yeah, just don't be talking about no more noodles.
Anyway, what I was trying to say about ramen noodles, right, is if this 5-minute holds and creates a nice basing candle here, that'll be ideal. That'll be ideal for the trade. You just don't want to see all of that buying that we just put into that 1 5-minute candle. You don't want to see us give all of that back. Like that would be the ultimate FU to the sellers. I mean, to the buyers. But what I was trying to say is that ramen noodles used to have multiple flavors, right? They had shrimp, chicken, beef, whatever, right? And then they had Oriental. But I think with the woke, the woke environment we live in, that Oriental was too woke. So they changed Oriental flavor to soy sauce. So now my ramen noodle Oriental pack. Because I told my wife, I was like, yeah, can you pick up the Oriental joints? Like, we always get the chicken flavor. She's like, I don't see any Oriental flavored noodles. Like, what are you talking about? I was like, Oriental, like it's the blue pack. She's like, they got these. I was like, soy sauce? Really? I was like, we too woke for Oriental now? We can't even call noodles Oriental? Stupid.
Oh, it did
just
the
as
same
long,
thing?
guys. Just as long.
No, it did the same thing to me again on this. All right, well, I'm just going to hold this.
Yeah, bro. Nutty. All right, again, locking in 20 points right here, making sure that we protect ourselves. Locking in 20 points again, another $400 are in the bag. Cha-ching! Right? And that's all I want to do, guys. Like every single day, I just want to do the same thing. If I'm locking in 20 points a trade, that's $400 per trade.
So
like, I don't care. Like, I genuinely have no desire to hold trades unless they're gonna go as I'm locking in the 20 points.
What's going on,
right,
bro?
If they wanna push after I lock in my 20, I'm cool with holding. But me, I gotta have a solid stop on myself, right? Because I know I'll hold this shit down till it turns red, right? And I'm like, I'm just not for that no more. Like I'm good. Like I'm not knocking nobody else that does that. I'm just saying for me, that don't work for me. Because at the end of the day, I'm looking back at my stats and I'm like, bro, TradeZilla is like, you're an idiot. That's basically what TradeZilla tells me every day. You're an idiot. You let X amount of dollars go to zero or negative. You're an idiot. And I'm like, I'm not an idiot. I'm just trying to hold for the long term, TradeZilla. And TradeZilla's like, you're an idiot. I'm like, all right, let me stop being an idiot, right? And just take what I can get out of the market, because NQ is volatile as fuck. But that don't mean I got to play NQ's game. I play my game, right? So that's just me, right? All right, locking in, about to freaking get stopped out here for 20 points. Just more aggressive selling coming into this market. Hopefully we don't get stopped out, but hey, if we do, it is what it is. We're changing character again, back to the upside or back to the downside.
Yeah, my
all right, stopped out completely right there for another 20 points. I'll take that. That's between those two trades are roughly about 50 points right there locked in. So I'm good with that. That's basically my trading day, to be honest with you. Like 50 points, that's a trading day for me. Like that's $1,000. Like I don't really need any more, right? So just trying to get better at managing things that fit my personality, right? And I think that's the last step as a trader for me, is not trying to be like this person, or that person. I need to do what fits me, right? Because at the end of the day, nobody's going to be like, well, Hobbs, I know you gave back $1,200 today, so you know what? We gonna give you $1,200. No, they're gonna be like, I mean, you tried to hold, they gonna try to, boost me up, but ultimately, I gotta deal with that. I gotta deal with the idea that I missed out on what was there. What's not there is this. This is not to my target yet, so it might happen. It might not happen. But in the middle of that, what am I doing? I'm securing a 3-to-1. I'm securing a 2-to-1, which to me, I'm securing a 5-to-1 risk reward every single time. Within it took me 2 trades to get it, but I'm counter trend trading, right? If I'm counter trend trading, then I should expect the market to do this violent stuff, right? And I do, but that don't mean I got to sit and hold through it. I don't. But I'm also not trying to get 5 or 10 points. I'm good with that. But 20 to 30, all day long. All day long. I'll do that all day long. And I know I'm good at that. I know I'm really good at catching tops, right? I'm really bad at holding them motherfuckers. So if that's the case, let me adjust to who I am, right? So if I'm bad at holding, then okay, don't hold. Just get out for a decent amount of money and then move on to the next trade. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Nothing at all. Have a great day. Headed to Diddy party. Oh my God, custom barbecue. Don't do it. Don't do it.
I don't know if you want to go to a Diddy party, bro.
Don't do it. All right, I got.
I really don't like this right now. I'm so upset with this platform right now. It's only on this. It's only on this one account. I don't understand.
Send them a message, bro. Like, or just move on to a different account. Like, it's now it's messing with your trading day. Like, don't let it mess up your trading day, bro. Yeah, bro. Like, get focused. Get back focused.
All right.
All right.
What is going on?
Yeah, bro. Like, just cut it out, man. Just focus on something else, like the market.
Well, it's messing. Oh, it's messing with my.
Justin, you've been messing with this thing for like the last 30 minutes, bro. You missed like 3 different entries on this trade. It's messing with your trading day. All right, we're building value beneath us at 215, looking to push. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say it. I should have said nothing. I should have said nothing. He said, spoke too soon. I was just about to say, who is this dude? I mean, how many lots is that? 100 lots, man. Yeah. Like I said, for me, my next trade will be a short. I'm looking to short this. Again, I've been waiting for 291.75 this whole trip. And the way they continue to sell every time we get any push up leads me to believe that I might be on the right path for the shorts here. So my next trade is I'm looking for 291.75. Anywhere from 261 to 291.75 to look to short this back down. Because this chop on the way back up is just, it's not conducive to a true reversal. This definitely looks like just a pullback to go lower. It's just a really low volume, slow day. So, and this is the second half of this 4-hour candle too. So, more buyer. Sorry, that was me trying to be Jamaican. It was very, very bad. I apologize to all Jamaicans out there.
Yeah, I really
go. Clean trading, man. Good job. Good hold, bro. Like I said, I just realized that I'm just not a holder. Like I'm just not that person. That's just not my personality. Yeah, facts. But see, that's just the thing is like, to me, like that gap being left behind, right? Like that doesn't bother, like it doesn't make me fearful, right? Like if that gap down doesn't happen, I'm still in the trade, but not because of fear or like poor trade management. I'm managing the trade based off my entry, based off the protected low. If we take the protected low, there's a 90% chance I'm getting taken out, right? Because of the fact that I don't want to be in after the market takes a protected low, because theoretically that could potentially start, a downtrend. Sometimes I'm wrong, sometimes I'm right, but I like the way you're thinking about it as well, where it's like, okay, well, the objective's already been met. So even if we take out your protected low on the 1 minute, we're still holding the ultimate low where we came from on the 4-hour, which makes sense. But I'm okay with taking my profits right there for 30 points, re-entering after we sweep, tap back into settlement, right? Understanding that we're also in the 1150 1210 macro. I'm loving all of that confluence to then take those profits and either enter with more position size or just take the same position size and run it back up for another 20-30 points. Because the way I'm looking at it is I'm more comfortable consistently getting 20 to 30 points out of the market than I am consistently getting 100. You know what I mean? 90 to 100. Because that's what you're asking for right now, right? Like that's what we're ultimately looking to get. if I was in at 168, which means and my target's 291, which means I'm trying to get 131 points out of the market, which is doable, but you're going to sit through a lot of pullbacks, right? And eventually it might get there. Or I could say, you know what? I'm in at 168. My target is 198, which is the high, which I did basically. And then when we break the high, we tap back into settlement. I have all of this extra confluence at 182 to take the market long again. I take the market long again at 182. I ride the wave back up for another 40 points. That's 70 points before we even get near the 130 I was trying to get to. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's going to take you, and again, me too, if I was trading this way, right? From 1120 to probably 115 to get to 130. I made 70 in 2 trades within that entire trend, right? And that's the way I'm looking at it. Like, I'm not trying to get 10 or 1-to-1s. I like the 1-to-3s, but because the instrument we're trading is so volatile, it allows you to adjust as a trader to also extract money consistently without the extra added stress. And that's where I'm trying to get to, because NQs just stresses me out too much when I'm holding. If I want to go hold a trade longer term, I'll go buy it on ES. Because NQ's just too wild, man. It's just it's like, fuck, bro. Like, dang, do we really gotta dump like that pullback, that sweep or that gap that you talk about? That thing was, let me see, 213. Oh, but yeah, I can just do the price range here. Let me see. Those two. Oh my god, bro. Those two. Yeah, I see it too. I see it. It's the same short setup that's setting up on NQ right now. Yeah, those 2-minute candles was a 32-point move to the downside. You gave up. Are you in a mini? You in a mini, man? That is, yeah. So no, I'm just re-explaining like my thought process. Is like, I gave up $600 on that dump if I stay in the trade, and it's like, I know it's not about the money, but it is about the damn money. You know what I mean? Like, it is. Like, I didn't get into trading to be like, yeah, man, you know, it's not about the money, bro. It is about the money. Like, of course it's about the money. So I just need to be more consistent with, you know, collecting the money. And I think that number for me sits in between 30 and 50 points. If I can secure those, I'm all good every day. You get it taken care of over there, Jay?
I just switched accounts.
Oh, okay.
I'm not messing with that account right now.
You leave Justin alone. He said, yeah, you could have done that at freaking 10 o'clock. Yeah, I got it. I switched accounts.
Well, I'll see if this works or not. We'll see. I'm still annoyed.
A while ago. All right, we're coming up to that area, trying to break above 222 again to push. Once we get above 222, I expect us to really start to push aggressively into 295, right? Like, that's what I'm looking for, which is another 70-point push. Very nice candle structure right there. You want to see that break above that high right there. That looks really good, really good. Just don't want to see this loser come back in at 222 and shut all the buying down again. VIX still is relatively high, but it's also selling down, having a nice little pullback into structure. So aggressive push above the high is what you want to see here, which is exactly what we're getting. Very, very nice, clean push. Good job, Valdez. Good hold, man. Good hold. %55% of people are long on TOPSTEP X, so I don't know what you want to do with that. Oh, he's recording right now. That's the other thing I wanted to work on, is setting up my recordings for my shorts. I still got OBS. Yeah. Careful, careful, careful up here. That's another rejection of, oh, yep, here they come. Here
Son
they
of
come.
a bitch. Okay, and this is happening on all of my accounts. It's not just the one.
Okay.
Unless, oh, I know what's going on. Oh my god. Yep. Okay, that's what's going. I'm an idiot. Never mind. Never mind. It was me. It was me.
What happened?
It was me. So my order screen was on NQ, but my chart was on MNQ.
Wow.
And so that's why.
This guy.
That's
This
why.
guy
That's why it
is
wasn't working.
complete, utter
Yeah.
character. This guy.
Yeah. That's
He
that
said,
was,
never mind, guys. It's me. It's not you. It's me.
yeah, it was all your boy. I was
It was all a
messed up.
dream.
We used to read Word Up magazine.
Yeah, we're consolidating at this high, but I'm not liking what I'm seeing on the tape for your shorts. I mean, for your longs. I was saying shorts because I'm about to take this thing short.
I'm already short.
I'm like, I'm not liking this at all for you. But, let's see what happens. These sellers, bro. I don't think we're going to come all the way back up to where I want to go either. Oh, here they come. I really want 290, man. I really, really want it, but man, these sellers look aggressive now. And we're at the top of this macro
now. Whew. Let's just break below the low.
Are you short?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Yeah. I'm debating it, but I just don't see the change of character yet. But I love what I saw on the tape. Structurally, I just haven't seen the change in character, though. It feels like just a bull flag consolidating out.
Yeah, I'm not liking what I'm seeing on this tape either.
Yeah, I like the aggressive selling, but I mean, what did it accomplish? Like, there's no change of character on any time frame. So for me, it's a no-go for the shorts just yet. I like the short idea, but I need to see a change of character on some time frame. It hasn't happened on any time frame.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to break even only because with potentially closing this out, just only because I need to see us break this low, and if we don't break the low, we're coming right back up.
Well, just what was your thesis for getting in though? Just off the tape.
CVD divergence. We did break the previous low, down here at 1207 on the 1 minute. But I want to see us, for me to feel like extra comfortable in this trade, we need to break down below. We need to make another, because we made a higher high. So I want to see us make a lower low here.
Yeah, but do you see the low? Even though that low was taken at 1141, the current narrative is still bullish, though, right? You see that?
No, yeah, I know. That's why I wanted to break even quickly.
Yeah, you just getting in on the early entry.
Yeah, because if this selling doesn't amount to anything, then yeah. Plus, I'm looking at this too. There's a pretty big CVD divergence as well here, so we might rip back up. Yeah, this market is really trying to come back up. We're just consolidating down here. We're I think above. Oh no, I think we're below VWAP still.
We're still below it. I like the idea of going with the trend here, but I just want to see.
I think the trend is
more
honestly switched back to the upside, honestly.
No, I'm saying with the overall. Oh, the trend is 100% switched back to the upside. You're definitely fighting the trend the opposite direction right here, but it's a good area for the market to reverse. I think. I just want to see. I want to see us break down first before I enter. Good trade though.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
I don't want this to sweep right back up.
Yeah, just don't give me that.
He's like, shut the fuck up. Shut up. Because if you're looking to get long, this is a potential entry for the long, but based off the tape, this might be the cooking season long.
Let's see what we do at 18,200. I think they're going to take that 18,200 liquidity right there.
Yeah, what's your target? 18,120 or 18,157?
18,181.
Oh, 181. Yeah, then just the next drop.
Yeah. But I'll go ahead and secure about 10 points here.
Yeah, this is the 50% right here.
I'm not liking this consolidation right down here. I want to see us run. I want to see us run this low, but if we reclaim 200, then it's not going to be a good day.
Ooh.
Okay, there we go.
There you go,
nice
baby.
Smash through.
Let's go. Get that profit target, baby. Get that profit target.
I just want to see us
your
reclaim
cookies.
that.
Now, what I was saying is it's good that you're going with the current trend. And we got that same triple top look that we keep getting before we reverse to the downside, right? Like that inability to break through that previous high, that sweep of that high and an immediate failure. Like I just keep seeing that. We got the same look from 940 to 1003, that exact same look. And then we got the same look again from 1015 to 1035. We just continue to get, the market keeps showing us the same thing. That's why I wanted to get out of my long so quickly. I was like, like I'm counter trend trading. So if I'm going to go against the trend, I need to have reasonable targets.
Yeah.
Good trade though, man. Good entry.
Yeah,
What
fingers on the
was your
trigger.
entry?
219.
Damn, Jay. What up, that 5-second chart, bro.
I actually got it on the 15 in the tape.
Or that. Yeah. Or that. I think you could get much lower. I think you can go to 157, to be honest.
Yeah,
with
I'm bringing my take profit down.
Yeah, I would be shooting for 157 and lower, but I would be trailing. But yeah,
I am trailing.
157 is definitely doable. Good trade, brother.
Thank you.
Let's go.
I'm securing 370 now.
And it was at the top of that macro too, bro. You see that on your chart?
Yeah, I see it.
You know, I'm telling you, bro, these macros, bro. Yvonne says you're doing it right, Hobbs. Hey, thanks, brother. He said trading is so personal. It's all about managing your personal emotions. Plus 30, 40, always my TP for me as well. I trade multiple, so I let runner get me that 70, 80, 100 points. Yeah, I'm only trading one contract. So like for me, the 30, 40 points is so valuable to my ego, right? Good trade, Justin. Banger, baby. Yeah, so once we break it, if we let's go, Justin. Profit target smash.
That was the profit target right there. I'm still holding though. I'm still holding. I'm bringing it down. I'm securing 600. So
let's go, baby.
That's 30. I'm securing 30 points. I think it's gonna take me out here, but I'm cool with that.
Justin with the body. Tell me you got out of them shorts. I mean them longs, Valdez. Tell me you secured something, bro. Okay, thank you. Once it breaks structure and fails, bro, you got to get out. Yeah. And I think what Justin was trying to say was that initial dump where we changed character on that initial dump at the 1 minute, right at, what was that, 1145 price, 1140, 40 something. Justin was saying that was the change of character for him, and he just wanted to see failure at the highs. And once he saw that failure at the highs,
that was 700, but that was me getting my profit back. That's 500 on the day. I'm done with that account.
Let's go, Justin. Let's go, brother. Let's go. Every day. I do.
Yeah, we definitely might, but I don't like playing around with.
I just don't want to be in the wrong. Go ahead, brother.
not only was that a low, but that's a retest of 5-minute demand, and we broke structure. So I was like, I'm cool with it. I'm cool getting out there, securing my profit. The market can do whatever it wants from here. Like,
yeah, exactly. And to me, that's what it's about. Like, it's about being a little bit more personal to what works for you. You secured 10 points right away because you knew that made you feel better, right?
Yeah.
You knew that no matter what, you were walking away green $100 on that trade, right? Now, some people may be like, nah, bro, like, just accept your stop. You like, well, that's how you trade. This is how I'm going to trade it, right? Like, and that's okay. Right, you know, like, and that's what I'm starting to realize about myself is like, talking to, you know, Pip's kind of like my secondary accountability partner because Justin been MIA lately. So I be talking to Pip, and one thing he told me, he was like, and Pip's been in the game for like 7 years, guys. So like, you know, I take what he says, you know, definitely with, you know, heavy ears, so to speak, right? So one thing he said to me was like, the last step of your trading is going to be deciding what type of trader you want to be. He's like, you know how to get entries, you know how to get tops, bottoms, all that good stuff. But the question is, in regards to your management, what kind of trader do you want to be, right? And that, at the end of the day, is where I'm trying to get to now, right? Where I'm not really worried about, you know, am I getting 100 points, 200 points, especially when I'm going in the wrong direction. I know that we were counter trend trading. That's why I was like, nope. Because the trend was over, right? As much as I wanted price to come up to 291, I had to recognize that if we broke above this 223, that was the end of the downtrend. And we were starting an uptrend. So it's like, okay, what makes more sense? Does it make more sense for the market to flip this? Nope, it doesn't. Let me get out here. Let me get out at the 200s, 222 area, expecting the market to push back down. If you notice, Jay, that's the 5-minute strategy to the tick that you got in on, bro. Good trade.
Yeah.
Man. Good trade. 219 was exactly the center of that point of origin. Good freaking trade, bro. I told you to go for 157 though.
Yeah, I should know. It's all. I'm not mad about it. But and Bravo, that's the only reason why I pointed out the fact that like we're
going lower. I think we're gonna take out 18,000 a day. So wait, what? Hold on. What? No, not you. Not you. I'm talking to Yvonne. Yvonne, what are you doing? Why are you adding the longs right here? Are you seeing this structural break, bro? You better stop it.
That's why this is the only reason, Bravo, why I was like, I don't know if that's the low of day. Like, you can't. That's the only thing. Like, yeah, we bounced here, and that was like the current low of day. But see, now we're breaking that, so now we got a new low of day. Talking about over here,
yeah. That's why I told you. Like, this was the range of Asia. No. No. We wigged down first. Yeah, we swept up and then wigged back down. Yeah. This is Asia right here. This is Asia lows. This is Asia lows right here. What I was buying previously was the range of Asia, the 50% range of Asia.
God, look at this.
And now we're taking out Asia right here. That's bye Asia right there. Now we're going for New York lows from
this was me.
Yeah, now Asia's underwater.
Oh my God, I had the top.
Justin, Justin, don't do it.
I'm so happy with
my
my execution. I don't care about
beautiful
this.
Execution.
My execution was what I'm happy about.
That was an amazing trade. And like you said, you could have got more, but what made you feel comfortable? Yeah, it didn't make you feel comfortable holding through that pullback. You didn't want to see 700 go back to 2. You didn't want to see it go back to 5. And that's okay, right? Yeah. That's okay. Like, that's 70 points on 5 micros. Like, what more do you need?
That was no. I was in the
that was a 1B. That was
but I was only but the way I look at it, I was risking $140 and I made 700. So that was like a 6-to-1 trade.
That's a 6-to-1 risk reward, bro. Like, you cannot be upset.
I'm not mad at that at all.
And that's where I think like you and I are probably one and the same, where we're like, we care about the R&R more so than we care about the total profit, right? Or the total amount of points you can get, right? Like, and that's what I care about. Yvonne, you still alive? God damn.
Yeah,
Yvonne, what made you go long? I hope he was joking. I'm about to jump in that Discord when I leave mine on my walk. I'm gonna be like, "Where's Yvonne? Somebody bring me Yvonne right now." Shit. Good.
Yeah, that was a perfect tap of that this 1 minute right here. Whew.
Yep, I love it, bro. Well, that's another break of structure down at 160. That's how we're gonna end the day. Actually, matter of fact, I just looked at the time. Ladies and gentlemen. Damn. Both green on the day. First time in a long time, right? Both of us are green on the day. But the one thing I'll say about today's trading is in my longs, right? I was up $400 on both of my longs and they both went red on me, right? So that's another reason why I keep telling you guys, after I'm up 10 or 20 points, I got to secure when I'm playing against the grain, because I don't mind re-entering. That doesn't bother me, right? But I got to manage my trades better, because if I'm up $400, right, I shouldn't be giving that back. Like, no way. I can give some of it back, but I shouldn't be going red on that trade. 20 points is more than enough to start going to break even, right? That's a 2-to-1 risk reward for me. So that's more than enough to start going to break even and or securing those 10 points, depending on what price is doing in that area when you're going against the grain. The other thing that I'll take away from my trading today is that every single trade opportunity, although they weren't in my trading plan, they were planned out very, very strategically. I executed with no hesitation. I took my profits when they were available on the rest of my trades after I kind of came back to reality of, hey, take your profits. And I'm very proud of the way that I traded today. And I'm definitely happy. Justin and I spent a lot of time studying in the lab this weekend. So, Jay, what do you got on your trading day?
Yeah, I will never make the blunder of being on the wrong chart and my execution be on the other chart, because now it makes so much more sense. I was tripping, y'all. I was tripping. But yeah, like I think what we spent this weekend, like just looking at the tape and the charts, definitely helped. And like I kept seeing a lot of things over and over again at levels where I wasn't necessarily looking to trade. And so I started to kind of form plans around that, even though I wasn't really talking about it. Like I knew where I wanted to short the market. Like I knew I was going to take that short before it happened. I was just waiting on certain things. And as soon as they happen, I'm like, I'm in. And I think the biggest thing that I think helped was the fact of when we were, because we weren't really back testing, we were just more reviewing price, but you're just being comfortable with the risk. And I definitely think that for me, the early entry makes me feel way more comfortable knowing that I'm only risking, between 100 to 150 bucks, even on a mini, or 60 bucks on 5 micros is nothing compared to, having to risk $400 or $200. It's just too much for my blood at the moment. So, getting the early entry just makes life a lot easier. So, and breaking down price on that 5 second, that 15 second allows you to take those early entries with comfort, because you're seeing that time is fractal, you're seeing that price is fractal, and you can see the same thing you're looking for when you're entering these trades on the 1 minute or the 5 minute. You can see that much sooner on the 5 second and the 15 second. And it allows you, like Justin says, to get an earlier entry and risk a lot less, right? That being said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream today. Looks like Yvonne did get stopped out, so we're happy for that. And Oil, you're welcome, man. Ali, you welcome. Make sure you come back, brother. At this point, I'm just fuck around and find out on the day I am supposed to be off. Yeah, stop trading. I literally heard you say Monday is your day off in church yesterday, so I'm gonna need you to stop trading. But that being said, ladies and gentlemen, please make sure you guys tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live or put out a video. That guy over there is Jay Seals. My name is T Hobbs. This is the Trader Shop, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.